It's an ugly ass rejection post. You guys are over leveraging on this position, bro. Get out of some now, boys. It feels so nice when they go a little round. Rejection, 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 rejection. Where the fuck? Yeah, I'm in a GJ sell over here, currently in drawdown. Up to you guys if you guys want to enter. I'm gonna close half right at this. About to close halfway. I don't want to go. Logan, do you think it's doing a Fibonacci, bro?
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah. But then again, I'm looking for sales. So it could be making the fib short.
We'll see.
But the 1 hour closed perfectly. Like it closed really good on the 618.
Yeah, I know. The only thing that's tripping me out is this fucking stupid ass 15 minute ago.
What's happening, guys?
Yo, what's up, Kundan?
How's it all going, mate?
Kundan.
Yo, where's Patricia at?
Yeah, where's
I don't know.
Patricia at?
Anywhere
Tell Patricia to get out the gulag.
We blue over red, bro. Fibonacci long.
Usually I wait for another 15 minutes. Or the 30 minutes gotta be bullish as well.
Bullish engulfing on the 15 minute. Tap of the 50 SMA. Rejection of the 50 SMA. Multiple reasons why you can lose this trade. But I'm just gonna manage my risk right here. I'm gonna close half. I'm gonna close half up here as well, and then see if our stop loss gets hit.
Up in the next house. I was seeing like a beam when I'm shipping. It's no longer 33, started tipping.
I know. But bro, with this rejection, I don't see why the fuck we would go up there again. We have this stupid level over here that literally is fucking us in the ass right now. Guys, right here, close half at 600. Close another half here at 630, and then leave it to stop loss. Oh my god, man, it's a new 4-hour candle, bro.
It's been respecting the 4-hour lows for like 16 hours.
These over here.
Let me look. Oh, dude, your chart looks so much different.
Oh, I'm on FXCM.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. But, dang, I didn't know they looked so much different.
Whatever, guys. If we lose this trade, we'll just be patient and take a next trade. But we won't lose more than 1% on this trade if you guys use my risk management. So pay attention where we're closing half, stop loss. The reason why I low-key want to close full position, bro, is because look at this little fucking shit over here, bro. We came down on the 4-hour over here. Came down on the 4-hour, came down to this previous resistance, couldn't even close under it. Now this 4-hour candle wicked down. Now we're going bullish. So I do feel like our stop loss can get hit because something like this wick over here. But I don't want to get out of full. Because we have a nice 30-minute bearish, bro. Bearish and go from do it to the downside. Rejections on the 30-minute. But we're just 4-hour range, bro. But yeah, dude, like we definitely have to get out. If like this whole fucking shit starts to get filled, we definitely have to get out. That's a fifth round possibly. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well.
My SMAs are pointing down, dude. I just don't like that. So that is another confluence as to why.
Alright, I'm gonna close half here, boys. Closing another half at the break of these highs, and then leaving the rest to stop loss. Whatever, guys, we manage our trade at least. This German 30 looks like it does want to pump up. We're gonna miss a German 30 move, bro. Let's see. Probably gonna get stopped out of this position, bro, but I don't keep want to get it back here on this fucking German 30 trade over here, bro. Wow. Cool.
Everything moving so slow. Everybody's energy is just as slow.
Yeah.
Tell me about it, man. It's for last week since we've had this lockdown, it feels like a Sunday every day.
I'm just ticked off of what I did yesterday, so I'm just like cutting everything out.
Bro, but these SMAs never cross on the bridge. Yeah. I don't know how accurate these SMAs are here on German 30. Yeah.
I've honestly been doing a lot of work today, so that's why I'm kind of boring.
Sounds like a meme when you talk sometimes.
I heard that.
What you mean?
All right, so out of nowhere, dude, it just starts getting all distorted.
Like you're swallowing your mic or something.
I got you. I'm getting a new mic at the end of the month, so
Hey.
you guys don't have to suffer for long, I promise. It'll be high quality, it'll sound nice. You guys will be like, oh, you sound so professional now. I'll be like, yeah. I think. But yeah, yo, bro, look at this, bro. The government chipped me today. I got chipped by the government today.
Dude, that's scary, dude.
At my local Walgreens.
You get
Oh,
vaccinated.
that's even
or
more
chipped?
suspicious.
You got vaccinated, you got chipped.
No, I just got my first shot. I
was gonna
didn't
say-
get chipped going down.
I was gonna say, big difference, bro. What are you guys up to over there?
Are we just trying to control everybody? You know, we're trying to build either a super huge socialist society or super huge conservative society. I mean, at this point, it's kind of give or take.
Yeah, I want me to let you on a secret. Any Americans fall for this shit.
I'll tell you this, bro. Ever since 2016, man, the United States has taken a turn for the worse.
I think the whole planet is, man. It's like crazy. You know, I heard some stories out of India that they're trying this new vaccination that apparently, like, you know, directly works on your DNA and stuff, man. That's scary stuff, you know. Shit.
Vaccination that works on your DNA?
I don't know, man. Something this. So apparently the story was it's never actually been done on humans. They've tried it out on animals heaps, and now they're running trials on some poor Indians in some freaking backward place to see how it affects the DNA. And when I read some of the stuff, I think, fucking hell, man.
I mean,
either we're losing the plot or we're just.
I'll let you know right now, man. The vaccine is just mRNA, bro. That's all it is. At least the one in the US. That's all it is. Just mRNA. It's just a study guide for your immune system. Ain't nothing too crazy. I promise you. If we don't have the technology yet to get all super crazy with it, we don't have the research yet to make a vaccine that'll distort people's reality.
That's a word.
Yeah, no, but you know what? It hasn't been tried, and it gets you the trials are getting conducted on some poor people that don't really have much of a choice, no education, and making a prompt kind of decision. You know,
And
that's the thing that worries me. That's the thing that worries me, mate. These people are poor as it is. So whatever, I don't know what they give to these people to allow them to do this, but you know what? That's when things start getting out of hand, mate. It's just too much.
Well, I mean, Kundan, at the end of the day, they're poor. It's like, hey, listen, I'll give you $1,000 to come take this
$1,000.
thing.
Are you crazy? $1,000 in Indian rupees would be like 50,000, 50. American Y will be about 60, 70,000 rupees, mate. More like 1,000 rupees, which would be equivalent to about maybe $4 or $5 American.
No.
Yeah, but like, just think about it though. Like a poor person getting that type of money, they'll do just about anything almost, especially if they got a family. I mean,
Girl, don't give me that. Don't give me that.
you'll see people here in the US, do crazy things, especially in terms of what they call, taking care of their family and whatnot. I mean, I've done research with test trials of certain medicines that they tried on animals, on humans. I think in like Nicaragua at one point in time, and like they paid these people like basically the equivalent of like $10 US, which was like a lot of money in Nicaragua at the time. Like it was like way back then, and these people, they were getting it, and like so many of them were just like either getting deathly sick or just dying, and it's sad, And people say it's for the name of science, but it's like, hey, people who are ethical, like ethical researchers, ethical scientists, they know where to draw the line. They know where it's too far, especially if it's something that hasn't been researched that well. And at the end of the day, when it comes to like human volunteers, you don't just get people who don't know what's going on just for them to test out what you're doing.
Yeah, that's your take on it, bro. But at the ground level, it's a little bit different.
Yeah,
You do get the people that don't know what's going on. They don't want They don't want someone that knows what's going on. So,
yeah.
I know. I just think it's a bit sad, man. It's the world's come a long way in the last 20 years. Yeah, we've got problems with but these bloody viruses and all the other shit that's happened in the last couple of years. It's getting out of hand, isn't it?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
We gotta draw the freaking line somewhere, man. It's crazy.
What's up with the chat? That's super dead today.
What you, bro? It's because of lockdowns. It feels like Sunday.
They took Andy's trade, that's why.
Yep.
Where's Andy? Where's Andy at?
No hate, Andy. No hate.
Where's Andy?
We miss that. I think he left. I think he went to bed.
What's up, brother?
I think he went to bed.
You gotta admit it. We miss Andy.
Yep.
Yeah, where's Andy at? Guys, remember to close off right over here at 6:40, 6:30 something. I'm gonna be looking at how to execute this German 30 position over here. I really like German 30 to go long.
Yeah, I tell you, man, it's a Wednesday. It feels like a Wednesday.
What's up?
I said it feels like a Wednesday.
gbpjpy, what the fuck are you gonna do with that?
If that 30-minute close is good, I'll hop in for a buy.
EJ, what's EJ gonna do? Is it selling or is it buying?
No.
Well, apparently the yen's meant to be gaining strength against, major pairs, and the US dollar is meant to be gaining strength again against, all the pairs. But at the moment, the opposite is happening. So,
Yeah. So the markets are manipulated, brother.
yeah, well, maybe I think every time they say, yep, US dollar gaining strength, might be the opposite always. Just do the opposite of what I hear in the news.
Think about setting some buy stops over here, bro, but it might be
Euro USD, that should be
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird how the dollar is gaining strength on certain strong currencies, and then it's losing. It's in the red against the Taiwan dollar.
Yeah, it's in the red against a lot of others. So yeah, you know, the New
Not a
Zealand dollar.
small currency.
We're expecting the New Zealand dollar to melt down, but all it did was kind of is back up to pretty much where it was before the news came out of the interest rate stuff. You know, it's weird.
Do they use GBP in Germany or no?
No,
What do they use?
they
Euro.
use the euro for.
Dang, man, that 30-minute closing, great, dude.
For long, huh?
But I feel like there's gonna be a fake out, bruh. Swear, 'cause I see somewhat of a head and shoulders, and right now it might be creating that to go short.
We'll see. Would this be a losing trade or not?
And if we look at it, the reality is, at a longer scale, we're good on that sell because it's got to pump down from everything that we're hearing and everything that's going on. It's a matter of when it does pump down, you know.
I see a trend line on GJ.
The tiny trend that might get broken up to the upside. Yeah, it's got. This trend ready?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing that scares me about this trend is that it's a fucking micro trend, and what do those usually do? They usually break, bro.
Yeah,
The
the
opposite
things
side.
break.
Not risking a lot anymore, so I'm pretty happy with where we're at. I just hate that we closed right above this 50 S&P, bro. That's the only fucking part about it. And fucking crazy engulfing candle here as well. But we manage our risk, so whatever happens, happens.
Huh.
I'm about to get triggered here. About to get triggered here, guys.
All right, man. It's a very small little loss here. Not much. It's all good.
About to get triggered into that German 30 here. See.
Oh, Jim 30 buys, eh?
I'm thinking that if we can't break these lows over here, then we for sure break.
Here's the thing that worries me though, with the German news, because for a while it's been under business climate has been underperforming, and not only that.
But the news not till 8 o'clock, so hopefully it could pump before then.
That's what we like to see. Because if it doesn't pump before the news comes out, and the news comes out, people are about to get slaughtered.
Slaughtered. Oh, that's a crazy word. Ooh.
Don't say that word around me. We're in drawdown here. I'm literally getting started.
There's not much
Dude,
volume
shut
in
that
the
trend
market
line up.
either.
Should break that trend line?
Yeah, there ain't shit. I think if we can fucking break up to the upside here, I think it can break up 160. That's not.
There's not much volume around at the moment, so.
Hey, someone passed their Forex funds evaluation phase.
Hey, let's go. WNL. W
GG.
no. Oh,
I
I'm
didn't
probably
even
in
hop
this
on the
trade.
stream. What the heck?
Better
Damn.
get triggered, boys.
Hey, there's only 5 likes, bro. Y'all need to pump them numbers up.
Yeah, pump it up. Pump it up.
I'm in, boys. Fuck.
Pump up the damn. Pump it up.
Dude, don't mess with your psychology, dude. Don't do what I did yesterday.
No, I'm in German 30. Nice.
Oh, I think that's a DJ for a second. Yeah. Let me check.
German 30.
Okay, no, it's
Oh, it says German 30.
What's your entry?
Giovanni, he hopped in.
just take the buys. I mean, if you guys want to risk it for the biscuit, take the fucking buys. Anything in these ranges are kind of risky, so I'm just trying to trade the ranges here. So I'm trying to buy at support, sell at resistance, but if we don't get there, guys, it's probably gonna be my last trade for the day. But we'll see. Just risk 0.5% on both on all this shit.
What's the TP on German 30?
Top of the range. Like 9-11. These are risky ass trades that I'm taking right now, to be honest, guys. Being very, very. Entry 894. Yeah, 894. 15894. This is German 30. Jim.
You're lucky I only have one dose of remain on there. You only got one. And I'll take it every day.
$8.
Hmm.
Patricia just texted me. She said she hasn't received her membership yet.
I know. I'll get her in a little later. Finish this trade too. Come on, DJ, just fucking die here. Oh, Giovanni, I took the trade. I'm in the trade already, my brother.
No, I let him know. I let him know.
Such risky ass entries to take no, bro. I'm not even a count. I'll get back to us.
I think it has a hours.
Who took a buy?
Who did, bro?
Oh, fuck. Thank you. Yeah, bro, I read it wrong. Stop loss is stop loss and TP are a little off, boys. Okay. I'm just all over the place here. Okay. Gap down, Jesus Christ. Stack 30. Is there another way I can get this stack 30? Without all these gaps, bro? Thank you, Luke. I appreciate it. Come on, GJ.
Dude, I gotta get a different vape, bro. Every time I get new pods, the best feeling is when you first inhale it. But the second or the third tastes like crap.
Oh,
Like
because
it
you're not letting them soak, bro. Wait, what are you doing? What vape are you vaping?
Views.
What is that?
You probably don't even get those. Nah, you do. Kuvis are not around in Illinois.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No volume, bro. Charge TP right now, bro. Text. What's your TP? 139.11, bro. Once we start to get up here at this level somewhere, I'm gonna go stop breaking on this position. Might be the last get out for TJ though, not even a front.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in the bot. Well, I can't say that right now. But soon. Just don't like the SMA. I don't know. It's so crazy because the daily. I don't like the daily at all, dude. It looks like straight dope, bro. It's right next. Because there's no resistance yet because the daily has not closed red. So
Check out PE 30 euro has no gaps, bro. Thank you, man. PE 30 euro. Wait, I actually added. Entry was 894. Damn, but it's putting me way up there, bro. I got my entry at 35. Stop start below this, please. I'm gonna just look at the one I was looking at for now, and then tomorrow just because my levels are already set. But thank you, Alan. I appreciate it. DJ looks. Jimbo, we're actually gonna get another one of Parcero's students in here. He also speaks Spanish. I don't know if you might know him. His name's Alejandro. Go German 30. I'm gonna tell you his last name now. Alejandro Arroyave Valderrama. I don't know if you might know him, but maybe you saw his name in the Zoom. Oh, okay, hold on, it's okay. But yeah, I guess a lot of people are unhappy.
With whose service?
Parceros. Quite a savage game.
Oh, why is that?
I don't know, supposedly he doesn't teach him. He just takes trades.
Oh,
I was told he just does signals, like he doesn't even trade. Like, so he just trades on like a demo. AB, I'm talking about AB. I'm not talking about. I don't know if you
Oh,
were
AB
talking about-
Savage.
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know that.
AB Savage is cool, man. I actually chilled with him the other day. Not chilled, but I just. He's pretty cool though. He looks a little sketchy though, not even a fan.
well, hey, at the end of the day, though, I mean, if people aren't liking where they're at, they can always come here, you know?
As Vasco barely teaches, I never traded an index well. But yeah, it's 100 pips. We're up 100 pips. But I actually think I might. I want to flow some here just in case, bro. But that's just not enough R for me, bro. I'm gonna be honest, man. And I do feel like we're just gonna hit these, and I'm just. So we'll just. Usually happens, right there.
Yeah, sadly.
Hey, what spreads do you guys get on these DEX indexes? One thing I've noticed, like when there's no volume, our spreads are freaking like, you know, they're almost like 5-6 points.
No, not mine, bro.
What are yours?
But that's why setting buy stops is a little better, bro, because you at least get that entry, and then your spread isn't too bad, you know.
Like when you got to make 5-6 points just for these buggers, and you're targeting 10, 11. But
How much you up right now, Jimmy?
They get better though.
Jimmy, you hear me? How much you up? Alright. I'm actually gonna close some right here at 100 pips, putting my stops to break even, guys. Don't want to deal with the bullshit.
This bill is paid for now. Oh, that didn't sound good.
5.
Hey, Francis.
Yo, Tyrone, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm great. Don't complain. How are you doing?
Good morning to Johannesburg.
Living.
We'll wait and see if price can start coming up here, guys. But I only close 50% here, just because I don't like how price is reacting at this previous rejection over here and this previous watch out zone. The reason why is because this over here is a whole watch out zone that we can easily just continue going short at this point. So better safe than sorry, better secure, bro, because then Still think it can go. But I still, we'll see. Stop loss is very, very nice down here. The function. You guys are in this.
The gold's looking good.
Man, you know what's so tough about gold? I literally had a sell limit order at 1806 468, and it literally missed by like 1 pip.
That shit has been ranging all through, bro.
Bro, when it happened and I saw it dump, I was just like, you know what? That's okay. That's okay.
It looks like it wants to break to the upside at the moment.
I hope it
Oh, it
bumps
just
some
broke
more.
past weekly support, so we gotta see if it's gonna break out of that.
What do you reckon? Think it's going to break?
Looking to the left, there's a very good chance they can just reject it and just go to the inside. But when it went down, it broke weekly support, so we'll see.
I just really don't like the reactions that we're getting here. We should have been low past.
There's no volume, you know. It's 5:41 our time in New Zealand. So what do you guys like? About 12 o'clock or whatever is over there. London don't open for another hour or so yet, hour and a bit.
You guys are gonna hold this trade, possibly remove your stop loss and move it up here. That's a little risky because price can come down and test this level, but stop loss below here is super.
All the indexes have been acting pretty weird this week, though.
Yeah. Yep. Everything's pretty much ranging, Francis. Like,
Yeah.
gbpjpy, euro JPY. Gold looks like it wants to come up here a bit. But yeah, bro, thank God I took some up here. I kind of need some shit like gonna happen. I don't want to deal with bullshit today, bro. Currently in drawdown on gbpjpy, so might as well get some of the loss back here. If we do hit TPs on this trade, I might just close my full position on gbpjpy. You know why? Just because we won already, you know? As well if I can get out with the small loss. Small profit.
But do you all think index is gonna break upwards? Like, do you all think it's gonna go like bullish?
I think so. I'm just trading the range here though. I saw that we came over here. Price then came up over here. Entry edge.
Yeah, that's all a lot of these pairs are doing right now. I think this Germany news is really gonna move some stuff.
Probably just waiting for that Germany news as well.
Yeah, they better make a decision, eh? Like, we're tired of this ranging, bro.
Great job, Jimmy. Sorry we took a little bit early profit here. I know you said that you don't like me doing that, but it's for our account's sake. You know, we have a possibility of it coming down here, so you know we are in the blues here. But I only close 50% just because I do have a feeling that it's gonna go up. And then if you're in on this GJ trade, you know we're only gonna lose maybe 0.6%. But there we go. You see, now we're gonna go. We need this. If it closes above this range, guys, I'm so fucking happy for this trade. If we do start to close under here, it's kind of fun. We have 25 seconds, 23 seconds to close. Anything can happen in these 23 seconds. We're not out of the dust space. Yeah. What up, for FX all day? FX all day. How's your VIP doing, my brother? Gapped up, making the first week down. these estimates kind of went across, but they were kind of ranging over here.
Yo, yo.
Year.
Yo.
What's up, boys? A little too quiet in here.
Yeah. It's because we're
Yeah,
in
it's
some
quiet. It's quiet.
intense ass trade.
Need some music. That does
I
help.
thought my phone was glitching, and I was like, why don't I hear anything? I just got in the call.
We're at this 900 level over here.
I'm waiting to see if these calculations.
Jimbo, the reason why I have my stops to break even is because if we start breaking these lows over here, I kind of don't want to be in my trade anymore. Like, then we're just breaking lows to maybe then, start making a little downtrend straight to stop loss. But we just take our little quick look. But how do you feel about your first index trade, Jimbo? What do you want me to call you, Jimbo? Jimmy, Jimbo, Jim? I feel like I call you three things, like Jimmy, Jimbo, Jim, all of them.
Waiting for some stuff to get done so I can see whether the news could potentially be bullish or bearish.
Dang, dude, I got a freaking Android camera, bro. Whenever people, okay, never mind, that looks a lot better. Like I use my Android sometimes, most of the time, and the camera quality when I use apps is straight trash. But I use the camera app that was built into it, and it's like so clean.
Android sponsorship?
Yes, sir. Go buy some app. I mean, not Apple. Frick Apple.
You already lost it. You already lost this one.
He's just playing with me right now. I'm gonna go down a little bit more.
What are you looking for?
Longs.
On GJ?
Yes, sir. That 1 hour just needs to close, and then the 15-minute needs to look clean, and then I will definitely hop in. No hesitation.
$15-minute bearish opening. What are you laughing at? Logan?
Huh? Oh, this
What are you
chick.
laughing at?
This chick texted me.
Oh, my boy's a little happy.
Oh no, I ain't no Sam. It's just funny.
Nah, he liked her. Okay, boy, I see you. What's her name? Go ahead, let us know. Bro.
Nah. She funny as it's just a friend I know.
Tell her she needs a VIP.
She say she's just a friend.
That's what I'm saying. He's
Just
saying
a friend.
he's a friend.
Yo, dude, check your text. Sorry.
Hey Logan, it's okay to simp for the right girl, bro. It's okay to simp.
Damn, bro, right now.
Yeah,
Damn, bro, you kidding me?
I know.
I'm in the middle of 2 trades though, so you can.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
The chat's so dead today. What do you think about gold buys? Yeah, through the whole year, you took the profits? Yeah, I took them.
DJ doing the dirty.
I'm actually about to get on it right now. As soon as that low gets broken, as soon as this on low gets broken, I'm out of my position. I feel like this stop loss is so valid, bro. Gold buys. I don't know. You have this resistance, you have this resistance that we just broke out of. Could possibly come back and see this 50 estimate. Come on, GJ. Gold sells at 1800.75. Okay, like. Yeah, like no breaker retest. Could be. Those are the cells I was trying to call signal for earlier today. Just moved though. Yo, GJ really doesn't want to break that level though. Like, what the fuck? Okay, thank you, Queen Nine.
Oh, good work.
We're gonna add her very soon. $7:30 missed it on my fucking. What up, Alec? How you doing, brother?
Yo, Jimbo moving.
What's up with Jimbo?
He said, "How many girls in a VIP?"
I think there's only like how many girls are in the VIP? Maybe like 5, 4. It is 30 minutes though. I don't think anything's.
Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ.
Oh, so either
I'm not
this
in lines
Friday,
yet. Yeah.
either this Friday or next Monday, I'm gonna be starting a 100K evaluation.
Bro, you looking for longs, Logan, or DJ?
Make sure to do it with my guy, bro. This shit's really trading within the fucking SMH, bro. Like, what the fuck is that? Such a trash trade. German, nothing from Daniel yet?
Nothing from nobody, bro. Fucking, I don't know. It's just a shitty, slow ass day, bro. Like I said, I'm on 3 hours sleep, bro. I'm dead too. I just been laying on the couch listening to you guys, bro.
When you work during the day, stuff?
Huh?
Do you work during the day as well, or do you do anything else other than FOREX?
Yeah. No, I got a job. I don't do much, but yeah, I got a job.
So that's the best job to have.
Yeah, no, you know, I can't complain, man. I can't complain. I'm a manager for a maintenance company, and we got accounts across South Florida. So I just, I got, I don't know, like maybe 18, 20 people under me, and I just make sure that they're doing their job, bro. Honestly, that's it. If I work, it's because I like to show that I get dirty with them if I have to, and that way, have better relationship and they respect me more. They're a good crew, man. They do what they got to do. So really, I'm just right now. I'm in hospitals, memorials, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Doing work over there, but I work from maybe I think 5 to 8, 5 to 9.
In the mornings?
No, afternoons. They changed my shift.
Oh.
Yeah, it's only 4 hours. I mean, I'm supposed to go to the office. I'm supposed to, do other stuff, but it's so slow that I don't have to do it. So I just go over there and hang out for about 4 hours, Monday through Friday. Yeah, I got a lot of time on my hands right now. Not as much time as you, Kundan, but yeah.
Oh no, bro! I've actually got to start doing some serious work as of tomorrow, and just maybe just trade a couple of times a week when I think there's the opportunity. But because my other work, man, I've taken it way too. The last month or so, or couple of months, I've just taken it way too easy on my other work, and it's just things are just starting to pile up,
Yeah, that happens, man. No, but you guys are still on lockdown. You're on lockdown still, right?
Yeah, but our work, man, because I'm a mortgage broker, it's all online stuff, so I can still get it done. So really not an excuse.
Okay.
Lockdown's not really an excuse.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was just thinking that today, man. I've got a fair bit of work piled up at the moment. Might as well get that done, get a bit of coin in.
Cool, man. Yeah, it sucks when it starts piling up on you, man. You don't know where to start.
Yeah, man. Look, I want to do this, but at the same time, I got to keep it realistic as well for the time being, you know, because I've got a good business, man. I don't want to wreck it. It's a good business. So I don't want to.
Oh no, if it's your business, man, you know, it's not like me. I work with somebody, so you know that we can give up to do this when we feel that it's time. But if it's your own business, it's always yours, man. You know, it's
man. Yeah.
And if it's growing, you could do this full time and pay somebody to run yours, you know, and run everything for you every day. You know, that's the good thing. It's yours.
Yeah, man. I guess everything comes down to you want to make money, but at the same time, like my other business, I can make some good money out of that. And when I weigh that up against the forex markets and stuff, I'd have to increase my account size by about at least tenfold to even consider making a good living out of it, you know?
Yeah.
You guys are still holding this German 30. It still looks nice, bro, with the top loss we have.
Unless I want to take some hellish risks, which I could, but yeah. I'm trying to be disciplined, you know, do the 1%, 2%, 3% sort of thing.
It's hard, bro. It's hard sometimes to stay disciplined, bro.
Sometimes you just want to throw a big lot of money. Go for it.
It's easy when you got Dr. Dollar's account, you know, 250K.
Bro, some people trade like on the 1 minute, bro, and they be killing it, dude. Like they'll take a sell somewhere like up here and shit, and like use like, you know, like a 3-pip stop, and then they'll be catching like their 1 to fucking 4 and shit, you know, which is amazing. I think I'm gonna start trying to do that. I think that I'll put it, but not just yet. It'll look so bad in the Telegram as well. Freaking 3-pip gain plus 7 pips on the week.
Hey, plus 7 pips, bro. That's like 7K.
Hey man, GJ doing its thing.
Yep. Dude, I'm out. It was my first time trading DAX. I messed up. My lot size was way too small. And too late to enter. More positions. Yep. It's okay. It happens. Yeah, just use Nash markets, buddy.
Man, all I'm saying is once I get 100K funded, you guys, it's over. So number one, like the amount of money I'll be able to make, I'll be able to actually put money towards some research, bro. It's over.
Like people with real analytics.
Oh yeah, like I can actually like find someone who programs really good, and I can start putting together potentially like a little indicator or a bot that can kind of like give signals on like news and whatnot. But that's the future. So we are the future.
This move happened so early in that candle.
Yeah.
Logan, you and GJ, bro?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
DJ's gonna out.
Nah, there's still another fib.
Yeah, I'm not in it.
It has enough in my area of support.
I've been trying to make it a rule that when we hit 7 pips in profit, I should be going stop streaking. Because dude, like if we're 7 pips in profit, we only have 3 pips to go. I don't see why the fuck we should see any drawdown at that point. This is why I hate trading ranges, bro. There's no clean movement. Just straight for straight. Oh, I'm Gangnam Star. Oh, oh, oh. That sounds so old. 730.
Dude, I used to do that dance move all the time, bro. My parents would laugh.
Go do it for us, bro. Show us.
Heck no.
We need a physical representation.
Oh, let's go.
Hey, sexy lady.
Bro, that guy made a killing off that song.
He really did. Man ain't gotta work no more.
No, yeah, that's stupid ass song. DJ's on the bullshit today. JP's in sales. What's his entry? Yeah, DJ's on it. Oh.
That's a strong rejection, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's early in the 1 hour candle.
You don't really get much volume until London, eh?
Subsequent being on DJ Quiz. Risk management, boys. All we can do. Let me see. Okay, if this trade gets stopped out of break even, it's goodbye. So it looks like we're just gonna have a small profit day here. Fuck it. Unless this trade can just fucking quit. But I really doubt it, man. Because now we're closing above this area, Tay. You remember the area I was talking about?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a strong long fib too. Like if it keeps rejecting like this, you can see movement to the upside.
Yeah, and if you look at the previous 30-minute candle, it closed right at support. So if we do start rejecting and going bullish here, it's gonna be clean support at rejection levels over here, all the way, you know?
Yeah.
And if you look at what we did over here, we did have like a long way to the downside, and then we just shot the fuck up. About to get stopped out here, break even. What's up with this fucking jumping around though?
DJ likes to do the dance.
Yeah, the shimmy.
Mm-hmm.
We do have clean stop losses up here though, not even fun. But the reason why I'm not holding this trade is because if this candle starts going bullish and closes bullish, that means this SMA is gonna look a little something like this. The London market, another 50 minutes. Yep. I just wanted to come down and tap this 50 SMA, and then it can do whatever the fuck. No, maybe it's there. It's pretty much all I'm looking for out of this trade. But if it is breaking even, it's a break even trade. What are you thinking, Logan? You think that was the final bid?
For what? GJ? Yeah. I mean, it's still clean. It's still
Looks like
clean.
it's trying to go.
That's why I haven't gotten in anything yet.
Did GJ hit your guys' stop loss yet?
Yeah, I'm out of PJ. But stop, if you guys want to hold stop loss if you're listening.
Hey, what trade you looking at?
Dude, it looks so clean for buys, bro. But
I know, that's what I'm saying, dude.
Yeah, you got a 1 hour doji that was made in the previous candle, and
yeah, dude.
you just got another doji. It's disgusting.
Another fact though, Dr. Dollar.
What's up, bro?
I went in on a GJ buy last night, and you know, it's struggling to hit TP.
What, you're stuck in the range? Where'd you take it?
I took it from, I think, just about where it is right now.
Like over here?
No, just down. Just where it is right now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you took it over here?
Yeah. So it's been
Like
stuck. in the range. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah.
That sucks.
Really sucks.
I hate the Rangers.
It's been like more than 10 hours, bro. It's struggling to break.
Oh my goodness.
They're homicidal monsters. They have done the worst things imaginable. Where do you
Shoot, that 15-minute close perfect for sales, dude. Oh.
If it wick does go, it is. Go up. This is the level we needed to close on there, remember? Wait.
Such a perfect fit, bro. It's so good. I like it.
We're just trading this tiny ass per channel.
Nice legs.
What they do.
Oh, all the beat pedals are coming out now.
The which does is gonna go looking at GPAs at a possible testing highs before coming down to support. Yeah, definitely possible. Come on, bitch, just go, man.
Holy fucking smokes, I got my money. Now I got that song stuck in my head.
Bro, I'm debating closing here and just being up for 1,000 for the day, bro. You're just being so annoying, dude.
Hey, it still hasn't hit my stop loss yet, so I mean I'm not in there, but on the trading view, where I set my stop loss, it still hasn't hit it.
It's just being so stupid. Has Daniel gotten anything? No.
I said he got in buys. Or no, JP got in buys. Or sells.
Yeah.
I need to learn German.
These bearish movements are coming so early in the candle that I can just fucking flip.
Holy fucking smokes, I got my money.
Logan, bro.
I forgot I was unmuted. I was muted or unmuted.
A whole bunch of fucking nothing. No goddamn volume in this goddamn market, bro.
Man, if these things keep dojing, bro, it's just disgusting.
Hey, that means there's something that's going to freaking fly, dude.
The market maker heard you all saying last week, no, US dollar was gonna go up, and like, no, let's range these motherfuckers,
Bro, it's
Freaking
such a
what it
weird day. Listen, guys, it's such a weird day. The slowest pairs are moving the most. USD CAD and AU.
Damn.
I bet they are, bro.
Australian and the dollar. I mean, US dollar and US dollar, Canadian dollar. They're moving, bro, and you know they're slow.
Hence, I said the market, Mike, has heard you all anticipating that the US dollar was going to fly this week.
Yeah.
No, it is, bro. I feel as though it is. I got a very strong...
Like, dude, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. This shit has been ranging one spot. Like,
no, the US dollar itself, you know, it literally just made a new higher high overall on the 4 hour. I'm just saying, like, or higher low overall. So I'm just waiting.
Think the news is bearish?
I think, well, the German news?
No, the dollar news.
The dollar news. I think the dollar news is going to be bullish. I really have
bullish for the last 4 months.
Hey, and listen, when Trump was president, we had like 12 straight months of just bullish territory. So
I don't know what the fuck is at this level, bro, but it's honestly pissing me off.
What, GJ?
I know we have this quarter point over here, bro.
It's just doing the woo.
Came down.
Oh, you just added another influence to me.
Yeah, that quarter point's looking nice. Check out the XY. I use smooth. Here's the combination. But I'm gonna be honest, Logan, dude, nothing's gonna get respected in this range, bro. I want price to come down here, bro, so I can fix it.
But do you all think with the whole activity on the charts this week, it has to do with the high volume of, people trading just this pairs the most?
Well, I'll tell you this much though. This week has been pretty eventful for the banks, especially in Europe and Japan. God, I'd love to own a bank.
Who the fuck did that?
I was joking.
Victor.
Call it the Tehran Bank.
Dude, I've seen this before, bro. I swear I see buys, bro. I swear I do. If it does not melt below this level, it's probably gonna hit JP's TP1 and it's gonna fly.
I'm gonna take out $600 right from here.
Damn, I hate the ranging though. It's sickening.
Hey, yo.
What's that noise?
I was about to say, yo.
That's it, bro. I'm up 1,200 for the day, bro. It's stressful. The most stressful money I've ever had.
Debatable.
Yeah. Oh, God.
What's up? You're out of the trades now?
I still got a little bit running here. I'm gonna still get some things. Still have a little bit running here. I'm fucking giving 32.
You gotta put some music on dollar, dude. Like some any type of music, dude.
We can't, bro. We're gonna get copyrighted. I wish I could, Logan, but you're not YouTube.
You're not Susan Washington, whatever her name is.
Dude,
Good Logan, do that dance for us.
oh heck nah.
Do your little dancey dance.
Wait, what is it? How freaking
When I get the FTMO
Gangnam
account,
Style.
100% I'll do it.
Good. Y'all hear that, bro? When Logan get his FTMO account, he gonna do his little dancey dance.
Good on you, mate. Look forward to that day. make sure you tell us in advance so we can get a bottle and start drinking pre-hand.
No, he's gonna throw 100 lot his first trade and lose.
Dude, I ain't gonna lie. First time I did take the FTMO challenge, I threw a freaking 40 lot.
Who's blowing the whistle?
I swear that's Andy, bro, making that whistling noise.
No. That's someone's notification. I'm sending messages to them. Go, bitch! Go!
Oh shoot! Is it really
Come on.
better to hit my stop loss?
Your fucking psychological stop loss level gets fucking slaughtered.
Your metaphysical stop loss. I hope you metaphysically lose $1,000, Logan.
Yeah, more $1 million, dude. Fuck.
I hope you just blow your account, metaphorically.
Yo, what I've noticed is that German 30 and DJ, they move opposite.
What brings you to that conclusion?
I'm looking at it. Every time this is going green, this is going red. I don't know. Hey, don't fucking hold me to it.
I'm gonna hold you to it. You gonna talk about it. You're gonna be about it.
Gold buy is valid? Yeah. I'm just gotta take profit so I don't have to deal with none of this garbage that's doing. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy, baby.
Here, Germany 30. Can you please move in one direction so my friend...
Dude, like, I've been stuck in a range on all these fucking pairs, bro.
It's Wednesday. It's middle of the week.
The fuck does that mean, Tay? We caught monster moves on Wednesday.
Fundamentally, bro.
We caught monster moves on Wednesday.
Yeah, but that's because you scalping, bro. I'm talking from the long term.
Man. I'm just...
have you ever thought about why summer months are the worst months to trade? Because it's the middle of the year.
Oh, yeah. Towards the middle of the... Oh, yeah, and in the middle of the day, too. So. We're in the middle of pre-London. Not even. We're in the middle of the crossover. Does that mean anything?
It just means that we're just creating the Asian session range right now. We're trying to see if the banks are going to catch some people on the lows and potentially take off up.
Dude, like, what the fuck is it doing, though? Like, I honestly don't understand. Like, when has price moved this low?
When the banks wanted to.
And we're respecting that 500 quarter point again, boys. Sometimes you just gotta take profit early, like, it's just my thing to do.
Yep.
Like, I hate doing it, but like, come on, bro. Like, literally, look how many pips we're away. Dude, 1.8 pips away from mini TPs. Like, dude, it's not fucking real.
Disgusting.
And then German 30 gaps down every single kind of open. I don't understand that either. But that 30-minute finally closed under there though. That's pretty nice. Keeping stop loss above this 30-minute candle. Go, little horse. Come on, you little whore.
Just showing Logan how to do the dance.
Logan, man, this motherfucking pair is so ass. Honestly, so ass.
I love it.
Yeah, because you're a range trader.
Oh heck no, dude! I get this.
Yo, range trader, man. 8 pips, bro. That's like we couldn't hear 1% today. That's honestly embarrassing. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Bye. Logan, stop spitting game, man.
Yeah, funny, bro. Yeah, funny.
Let me use some of my technical analysis on you, girl.
Are you focused?
Nah, I'm focused. I'm waiting for my setup to. I'm waiting for a bullish candle, really, because I've seen this so many times, bro.
Free London's here, though.
Yeah, nothing's about to happen.
28 minutes, bro. See what it's gonna do. It's gonna melt, man. And then it's gonna correct itself and go back up to 157.50, then go back down to 150, 100, then go back up to 157.
There's that fucking range, bro.
Been doing that all day, man. Been doing that all day.
What I hate is when you see GJ just break to the downside or the upside with some crazy momentum, and then it does some ugly consolidation period.
Yeah, it does that around London, and then it'll freaking fly New York.
Yeah, it's just it's so crazy.
Dude, I've seen this so many times.
What a bad night, Jimbo. It's been a rough night. Price actually just been we should have been at confused by now. Any other night we on that first drop.
I really think this German news is about to
eat shit here, man. How fucking no eat.
Yeah, while GJ's going, I'm gonna start reading the book, yo.
GJ's going where? He's going nowhere.
In that case, I'll read 2 books.
Hey, Tay, even if that move is positive, like if they're expecting 1.7 of whatever, of growth or whatever it is they're gonna talk about, and they get 1.8, I mean, yeah, it's good, but it was expected, so it really won't move the market, man. It really won't do shit. It has to be something like 2.0 and they're expecting a 1.5.
Well, see, here's the thing though. When it comes to very, very big indicators, especially I think with this one as well, what you're gonna see is that over time, people are probably expecting it to be bad because the past 6 months, because of COVID, it's been bad. And because of the Delta variant, they're expecting it to be bad. If it turns out to be good news and it actually hits the mark for the first time in 7 or 8 months, that's very, very positive sentiment.
If that happens, that's what has to happen. Because remember last week, GBP had some news and it was positive, and it fucking went down to 149 against the yen. What the fuck?
Yeah, Van Hartwig said it best, manipulation.
But if you're looking at the DEX right now, it's going to move because of this German news.
Move what direction? Up or down?
I don't know.
I don't know yet. Dude, I literally just figured out this news existed today. I need more time to look into things. And not only that, I had
When does the shitty ass news comes out?
comes out at 4.
Or
Like your old people shit. Oh, okay.
And what sucks is that when the report comes out, it's gonna come out on a German website, so I gotta translate all this shit.
they got elections coming up too.
Yep, the Markle era is about to end.
People are saying GJ buys in the. Yo, where's Andy? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna call him actually.
I think Andy right now, I think he took a losing trade and he's just down bad right now.
Hey, what's up, Zane? What's up, my brother Zane? Here, let me-
Yo.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Hey, what's up, brother?
How you feeling?
Good, man. Good.
Amazing. Did you just get here, or?
No, I've just been sitting in the background for a while.
Oh, cool.
It's the
Where you
boys.
from, brother?
Hey?
Where you from?
Australia.
Kundan.
No, Kundan from New Zealand.
yeah, I hear him talking all the time.
Yeah.
What's up, Zane? How you doing, buddy?
Good, bro. Yourself?
I'm good, mate. I'm good. What's happening? You guys in lockdown as well?
Yeah, bro. I'm in isolation at the moment. My roommate caught COVID.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Good, man.
Yeah.
So wait, you
I
can't
never
go
caught
back?
it. I'm good.
So you can't go back?
Go back to where?
Oh wait, you're in Australia right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you said that you were somewhere else.
No, in Australia.
What part of Australia are you from?
I'm originally from the Gold Coast, but I'm in Sydney.
Oh, nice. Sydney's like the capital, right?
Yeah. Oh no, the capital is Canberra, but might as well be Sydney.
Yeah. How's life in Sydney, bro?
Bro, it's good, man.
You
Not
like it?
right now. Right now sucks, but it's
Why?
mad.
Because you guys are on lockdown and shit.
Yeah, we're on lockdown, man. No pubs are open, no gyms are open, nothing's open.
What the fuck? You're just supposed to fucking kill yourself or something?
The only time you're allowed out is to literally just like go walking or something like that. Go training.
Oh shit, nice. But dude, how does that do with like mental health over there, bro? Apparently everyone's a little fucked right now, huh?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, everyone's fucked.
I mean, and think about the people who go through like domestic violence and shit, like being trapped in the fucking house
Oh,
with somebody.
100%, man. Feel sorry for the females.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some dudes getting bashed too.
Hey, but hey, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, bro. It's not just the females, bro.
Zane, whereabouts in the Gold are you from?
From Nerang.
Nerang.
Yeah.
It's been a few
You
years
know
on
the
the Gold
place?
Coast. Yeah, man. And then Nerang, all those places around there. Coomera.
Yeah.
Freaking.
Good little spot.
Yeah, Coomera's like a little Kiwi land, eh?
Yeah, 100. Yeah, bro. Still New Zealand. So I was living near Coomera at one point too, but it's too far out of the way, bro.
And now it's Gold Coast.
So you guys got kangaroos over there. you hear us talking about that shit all the time, right?
Bro, they're not everywhere though. You hardly see them.
Really?
You have to go out to the bushes to see them.
These guys think that every time you walk out of your house in the morning, there's a kangaroo standing there to greet you.
Yeah. I mean, we think
I
Australia, we think kangaroos.
I had a mate who came over from New Zealand first time in Australia, and he literally thought there was snakes in every like garden and bush.
Damn.
No, there's no snakes.
I'll take profit smash, boys. Let's go. Let's go, GJ, baby.
Yeah, let's go.
That's beautiful. I took profit so quick. I'm such a pussy, bro. Like, I honestly catch myself doing that shit too many times.
You're not the only one, bro. I got out for a few trips.
Check it out, German 30, now that we won this trade. I'm such a bitch, bro. I should keep my stop loss and let it hit. That's how bad I feel right now. Oh,
How long
so
you
what's
been
up,
doing
Zane?
the Zooms
How'd you
for?
find us, Zane?
You're just on YouTube.
Fuck yeah, dude. YouTube loves us.
It was just on YouTube and I clicked on it.
Amazing, bro. And what made you buy, bro? What made you get the VIP?
Just everyone's input, bro. It was good
Yeah.
to listen to you all talk shit.
Yeah, it's
For
dope.
5 hours.
We talk for hours too. I guess we make trading a little fun, you know, because it can be boring by yourself, you know.
Yeah, bro, 100%.
Oh, and let us get drunk, bro.
Yeah, drunk
We
and
get rowdy in here, bro. I just haven't been
What
drinking.
time is it there?
Miami, in Florida.
Yeah.
Bro, it's fucking 2:41 right now.
In the morning.
In the morning, yes, sir. Yeah, what time is it over there? It's fucking daylight, bro.
It's 20 to 5.
What does that mean?
At night. It's 5:40.
Oh,
4:40. 4:40.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I thought you were giving me like military times. Like I look at this trading view shit and I'm like, wait, 17, 15, okay, fine. Yo, GJ's gonna run for me though.
It's gonna melt, man. Hopefully.
I sure hope so.
I'm using the hope strategy for this one, boys.
Yeah, I'm using the hope strategy.
Oh shit. Yo, yesterday I took a gold short and I look at my girl, I was to like 23 pips in drawdown, 2 pips away from hitting stop loss. I was like, if we win this trade, God is real. and we literally fucking won.
It's a God's rule.
So you owe God
I'm a believer.
50% of all your prayers.
Yo, what's up? Do you want to come here or no? Alright, cool. Oh, we don't have Dutches though. Alright, fine. Bring it lighter.
Gone lost their mics and gone quiet. What's happening?
You heard?
I don't know.
You don't have one?
Is it Kunda?
Oh no, we're fucked.
Yeah, come down.
Whereabouts in New Zealand are you from?
It's alright, I'll
in
just throw
Auckland,
it
bro.
down, don't trip. Unless you want to come up.
But I spent a lot of time in Oz and Brisbane and the Gold Coast and stuff.
Alright.
Almost 7, 8, 9 years almost.
Yeah, right. And what took you back to Auckland?
Yeah, let me
I just
know.
family,
Just
bro,
let me
everyone was here,
know.
Came over to
Yeah.
party, did the party stuff.
I'm not gonna go down, I'm gonna throw it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in Auckland. Fuck. When
You
Red Hot
there?
Chili Peppers played there last. Was it last year or 2 years ago?
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say it would have been a little while back now. That anything
Yeah,
played.
it was pretty good. Pretty good. My family's from Gisborne.
Oh yeah, New Zealand.
Yeah,
Oh sweet. So you're a Kiwi.
I'm half Kiwi, half Greek.
Ah, were we born here or born there?
I was born here.
So what do you go for, the All Blacks or the Aussies?
Bro, to be honest, I go for the All Blacks. They're a good team, man.
Oh, they're a winning side, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hey, it's good to
They're
have two
solid.
halves. Good to have two halves to choose from. You go for the winning.
Yeah, that's it. Whoever's winning at the time, you know.
Good on you.
I remember. I think it was the FIBA World Cup when the U.S. was playing New Zealand, and New Zealand was doing their haka, and like the U.S. men's national team was just looking at them unfazed, and just went ahead and just beat them by like 25.
Is that the soccer?
No, this is a basketball.
Oh yeah, basketball. You know what? That's not really our main thing over here, bro.
Oh, bro, you hating on Patty Mills?
All about
Nah, he's
rugby.
Aussie.
Yo, Patty Mills is amazing.
Yeah, bro, he's gone.
You know, like, and you guys don't gotta own Ben Simmons. It's okay. We don't talk about Ben Simmons, but Patty Mills though, he nice.
Yeah. He's good, man. He's good.
But no, if you're talking about soccer / football, I mean Tim Cahill, he was one of my favorite players growing up.
Yay. Yay.
Hey yo.
What about the poopy?
Got it. If you get stuck, let me know.
So you've been trading for long, Zane?
Since July last year.
Right,
About a
good
year.
stuff. Cool. Do something else as well, or just this?
Personal trainer.
Personal trainer. All right, good stuff.
Yeah. How about yourself?
Mortgage broker.
2 days.
Beautiful.
Mortgage broker.
Yeah. And how long are you trading for?
Look, on and off for a while, but you know, it was off, and then I just started back up about a few months ago, just dabbling in it again. I think this time taking it a bit more seriously, so funded a bit of money in my account for a while. Might as well give it a good go, you know.
Oh, Kundan, did you get that funded account?
No, man, I've got like 15K on my own live account. To be
Dude.
honest, I haven't got the time for that funded stuff, man. I've got my own mortgage business to deal with as well. And if I'm thinking numbers and making money, man, look, if I just put the effort into my own business, you can easily clean up 25, 30K a month, you know. So when I compare all that to these sort of things, I think, well, probably just using this as a pastime, probably hang out with you guys and get drunk, you know. If I do get a funded account, it'll be, you know, I don't know, I might give it a go after I'm actually consistently profitable. And the other thing will be I'll be able to just make my own calls and just do my own trading, you know. And at the moment, I'm not at that level, man. So it's no use throwing money down the gutter. Plus, you got to have discipline for those funded accounts. You know, you can't be in drawdown more than 5% for the day and 10% in total. Man,
That shit's annoying.
Man, I've been in drawdown for like 70-80% of my account at one stage.
Heck, I like the discipline. It feels good because you feel growth, you know? You feel like you've done something, you've changed.
No, yeah, the word chant, they're talking about the rugby, like rituals, or what do you call that? When they go like, gonna.
The haka?
Yeah. I think that goes hard. I think I gotta start doing that to these markets, bro.
Yeah, every like Polynesian, Tongan, like Pacific Islander country. I mean, they have.
Hey, what's up, Jimbo?
Back then.
Jimbo, I think your mic is working, brother.
I'll actually watch the Fish Splitters Cup. Or watch the Fish Splitters Cup. He watched the All Blacks beat Australia.
We're gonna pin, we're gonna pin Francis. Even though he's a little shy today.
No, I'm not sure.
I'm just kidding.
So how long have these streams been going for?
Like today or
nah, for like
lifetime?
Started.
Like 3 months ago, bro. I like to say 3 months ago, but I think it's more like 4 almost now. Yeah. But the VIP's only been open for like about a month to this day, actually.
Wow.
Big ups,
That's awesome, man. Congrats.
Yeah. It's been a journey, slow and steady progress. Bro, we don't miss a night, bro. You know, we're here every single fucking. Tonight was a little fucked though. I was thinking profit a little bit too early, but it's just because price is moving extremely slow, bro. Honestly, like it usually, like we would have hit TPs with this candle over here any other night, but since we're stuck in a range thing, that's the issue, bro. Yeah, this is disgusting. Disgusting.
Hey Logan, you like what I sent you on Instagram?
I didn't even know that was a meme like that. Like
you guys sending butt pics?
Hey yo!
Whoa,
bro, you're saying it like, hey, you like it?
No, I was just fucking with Logan.
Dude, I haven't heard you cuss in like forever, dude.
Bro, I literally cuss all the time. What you talking about?
Nah, dude, I don't ever hear you say nothing like what you just said, dude. That's crazy. Nah, I don't like to cuss. I'm just that type of person. I just don't like.
Wait, that means I'm getting better.
I be cussing like a motherfucker, bro. Sorry.
Yeah, bro, man, he be out here saying the N word and all that, bro. He be going crazy.
No, hey, don't say that. You're gonna get me canceled, bro.
No, it's actually me, you guys. I'm sorry. I won't say the N word anymore.
All right, GJ. I might call these biased. Oh. Give me some time. I gotta look at my chart. Look at all the time frames first.
Oh, you can smash it in 30 days.
Really? Damn.
Let's go. I'm such a pussy, boys. Honestly. Sometimes I don't. GER 30. 8, 12, 3.
Oh, whose whistling is that?
Dude, y'all are some perfect whistlers, I swear.
Bro, dude, that's a fucking notification.
Loud.
Psychology problems tonight, boys. That's all it was. But now we know.
So it broke out of that trend line and then came right back in it.
I'm just glad I'm out of all these bullshit.
Did
It's been a
JP's
war tonight.
Did JP's TP get smashed? His TP won?
I don't even know where he took cells. Guys, where did JP take cells, brothers? We need Eden in here, bro. Eden, when are you gonna get the goddamn VIP, man? Where you from, Eden? You too? Here we go. Beautiful.
Diamanteri flying.
We barely saw drawdown, bro. I'm such a little pussy, bro. German 30 is flying, guys. Let's go. Are we gonna break out though? That's the thing. I don't know. Jimbo, you still in here, brother? We got out a little early, Jimbo. Or whatever. Part of the game, gang. Part of the fucking game. Well, what's up with you, Kundam? How you feeling, brother? Did you take any trades today?
Nah, bro. Only that GJ, but I got out at like when I was only a few pips up.
Yeah. Okay, it was moving extremely slow. And look at this, bro. Like, but TP was this little 50 estimate. I was right on that at least. Now we could see a big pop over here, just like we had over here, Kundam.
Yeah.
We just want to come test that. Cool. Stop loss is at breaking. Actually, a little bit in profit.
But now that my account's in like profit, I want to try to be a bit more careful than what I was originally when I started. So
yeah, you were probably what being a little bit too aggressive, maybe.
Yeah, I'm just being a bit patient. I don't mind being patient because I know when the right trade comes, I have a habit of going in a little bit heavier than I usually would, and it seems to be working for me. So it's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
I can't do that 1%, 2%, and that 3% risk stuff at the moment because if I look at time versus reward, and then ideally I'm not getting the reward that I need for the time I'm investing in it. Yeah, so better just to learn a little bit, risk a bit here and there. That's okay because that's the whole thing I started with anyway. I actually don't mind what happens with the account that I have, as long as I can't.
You have no pressure.
No, I've got no pressure whatsoever. I'm okay. I'm comfortable. Whatever happens, happens.
That's why I tell a lot of people to make sure you have a stable income before you start trading. You know, like that way you don't have to make money off the market. You know, it gets a lot of pressure. At least for me, bro. Like, if I don't catch winning trades, man, like, I have no income for that month. I gotta go reach in my savings.
Yeah, man, I agree. So you gotta just
But I try not to think about the money, I'm thinking more about like winning the next fucking trade.
You know, if we weren't talking as loud, we could have stayed here the whole night.
Who's that? Victor, what's up with you, brother? I got out on all positions that break again down. Yeah, for you. I was about to do that, bro, but I don't know. I wanted to give that trade a euro. Both of these trades, bro, because I mean the setup was valid, So, but we pretty much traded the fucking range today, which is a successful night, dude. Like, it's not easy catching these moves in a range.
The range works. Hey, I've noticed one thing. When you do, like, sometimes when it's ranging, the ranges are very consistent. From support to resistance, they keep doing it over and over and over again for a long period of time before they actually decide to break out.
Yeah, look at German 30 go. German 30 is looking nice to continue here. We need to break this 159.25 level.
It's because it's London's opening, so.
Yeah, we could also get a huge reversal. We'll see. 2 minutes, guys. London's here.
Well, even if we do, man.
Jimbo, what do you think? I should call another trade for London, or should we just go for the night?
Call him trade.
I reckon NZD USD sells.
I mean, I'm looking at gold sales right now.
Jimbo, where are you from, my brother? Peruvian, nice. My stepmom's Peruvian. You guys have some fire ceviche. Have you guys tried ceviche? Have you tried ceviche?
No, what's ceviche?
Oh my god. Go to your nearest Peruvian place tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I'll just Caribbean place.
No, not Caribbean. Peruvian.
Peruvian. Yeah,
Peruvian.
I'll Google it, but I hardly think we'll find anything like it in Auckland or New Zealand, probably.
Well, give it a shot.
I'll try. What a Peruvian? What's it called? What's it called? Ceviche.
It's a Hispanic place.
Alright, I'll look into
so like, yeah, Spanish. Well, not Spanish, but Hispanic food. It's fire, man. It's like this line. I'm gonna pull it up. Ceviche.
And what chiles?
Ceviche dish. Look how good this looks. God damn, I'm getting some. It's like this lemon type deal. It's so good. Kuna, you looking at my screen? Ooh, dude, dude, German 30's getting manipulated as fuck right now, boys.
Oh, look at that. It's doing the dance.
Yes. Oof, go, bitch. Look at this, boys. So good, dude. This shit's so good, bro. Udan, you gotta try it, brother.
Nice.
Dude, man, that looks good. What's in them? What's in it? Prawns and stuff.
I think let me put it in here. It's fish marinated in lemon.
That shit busting, Dr. Bob.
Holy fuck, dude. Look at German 30. She's going crazy.
Is it raw fish or is it cooked?
Make sure to have your stops at break even, guys.
Good.
I'm already out of my position.
It's just seafood marinated in all lemon juice.
Yeah.
I tell you what, if I can't find it, you know what? Actually,
An onion.
With some avocados and shit. God damn, this looks good, man.
Actually, I'll just make some tomorrow. I'll look up the recipe and just make it at home. It looks good.
Yeah, I mean, you can. I'm sure you can. I suck at cooking, bro, so. Not for me.
As long as you're good at trading, we'll forgive you, okay?
Going down, said, let me handle the cooking. You just trade, bro.
You just trade it. Yeah. I'll give you my logos, just trade and I'll cook your meals for you.
Might drop to like, yo, this YouTube chat has been so silent today though, right, Thane?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I guess all of the people who are talking are now in here. Who used to talk are now in here.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of people that have come from the mainstream onto here, so I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't think that your channel is going down. It's just you're making a conversion from there to here. So
yeah,
it's a good thing.
Yep.
Can this market just get off the range though?
No, it's not, Francis. I don't think tonight, bro. Maybe when that 4 o'clock news hits, maybe German 30 can fucking do it. Maybe. But you know how the news be. I really want my GJ to run though. That'd be nice.
Like it's just teasing and teasing and teasing and teasing and you know.
Ooh. Yeah. Yep. Look at this long rejection on German 30. Now we're going bullish. We could possibly even see 1545 by tonight, guys. Look at it go. We gotta hold this level. Beautiful setup, bro. Beautiful trade. Look at it go, man. Let's go. It's one of those nights, boys. Finally out of the range. 450 pips.
Damn. On what? Gold?
German 30. About to get stopped out of break even here on gbpjpy.
Oh yeah, I'm in profit on German 30 now.
Nice.
Francis, German 30 sniper.
Thanks for your analysis, man.
It is moving a little crazy though. Look, we tapped that level, Francis. We tapped that 15,938 level, which is where we rejected a couple nights ago. I think this was yesterday. No, 2 nights ago. And we came down pretty hard at that level. Just be very mindful of that, because now we're leaving a fat weight. So if you are in profit, just secure some and just leave the rest.
Alright, so I did, in fact, wanted to call buys, but I did not take the trade because FTMO. I'm using the free trial, and they only allow me to use that for like freaking.
Francis, are you trading a live account?
Yep, definitely. I don't trade demos, bro.
There you go.
Let them know,
Hey, don't be hating on me, dude.
I'm just saying, like I need to make real money.
let him know, Francis. He said this ain't no funny money.
Yo. Like, what's the point of making like $200,000 on a demo account just to brag about it?
Yeah.
Oh, heck, man, I've never even done that on a demo account. I've never over leveraged.
So Logan, you know what?
Yeah, but are you guys seeing the volatility on this German 30 right now? It's insane, bro. Yeah, it's going up 100 pips, down 100 pips.
Yeah, it's going crazy.
I just wanted to say I called buys. 149.
No, you didn't fucking call buys. You said what you said was I didn't call buys, but
Nah, look, it's freaking going, dude.
No, yeah, it's going. Alright, good job. Yeah, and you've been looking for buys, so good thing you stuck to your fucking analysis tonight. You didn't take sells with me because you knew it was gonna go
Yeah,
long
shit,
eventually.
she's going. Fuck.
It's going.
Oh yeah, this one gonna fly. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
Yes. Look at this.
Yo, but a stressful night.
Candle, though.
Yeah, that's beautiful. But we're still in this little fucking channel, so maybe a closer. But it's
breaking
nah,
out.
nah, we're gonna
out.
fly. We're gonna fly, bro. There's 24 minutes to this.
Remember,
candle.
I'm on a buy. I'm on a buy on GJ, so
Oh,
I'm glad
okay,
my
nice.
stop loss didn't get like wrecked. So it's a win-win. You know?
What, you're finally in profit, Francis?
Not yet. I'm like like 9 cents away from profit. 9 cents.
Oh, look at
There
that.
you go. You're in
fly.
now. You're in profit now. Wow.
Yeah, I know.
That's that Asian session cheese, bro. Them banks was just waiting for people to try to take
Hey,
it
Francis,
short,
you've
and they
been
said,
killing
"We'll
it
stop your
lately,
line."
brother.
I learned from you, bro.
Let's
I'll
go.
give credit to you, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
But no, it's all you. I didn't do nothing for that trade. You killed it.
No, you know what's great about this group is I mean, Dr. Dola, I think your analysis or your strategies are like pretty straightforward and simple, you know, and it's not. I know you do say you take like impulse trading now and then, but it's not something you do most times, you know. And I think one of the things I've learned from Forex is, you know, they said some of the most profitable traders, you know, trade on a sense of like, you know, if the price action gets to this point, and which you do, you're like, no, if the price breaks this level, it's a buy or a sell, you know. And that has really worked for me, you know. And Tyrone, man, you know, Tyrone has been great with the analysis and all of that stuff.
Yeah. And a lot of people don't learn fundamentals. A lot of people like I just ignored the fundamentals for forever. You know, like ever since I knew about trading, I saw a red folder and I was like, no, not today. You know, we're gonna look at something else.
Yeah,
I
but
would just run away instead of trying to understand it.
I do think there just has to be like a balance between both, you know.
Yo, this German 30 is honestly on crack right now. Like it's on something right now.
Yeah, it's gone back on drawdowns again.
Tell me why all the banks just straight up stopped out so many people trying to take it short.
On where? On what here?
On GJ.
Oh, my TP smashed, so I'm good.
Boy, you trading with the banks.
Bro, but look at it go. Bearish to bullish to bearish to bullish. It's fucking,
bro.
It's crazy right now. It's because this level over here, a lot of sellers over here. The manipulation, bro.
Yeah, I'm not going.
Well, is it safe? Is it safe to say
Forex
the
market.
banks? Is it safe to say the banks can literally tell how many sellers are in the market at the moment and how many buyers are in?
Well,
I
you
don't
can
think
look
so.
at that based off of just a volume chart. But like what banks like to do is that they know they have the liquidity to move the market wherever they want at any given time. So it's like when you see like the Asian session, London session crossover, like you usually wouldn't want to trade that because even if Asian session is showing a downtrend,
Look at
all it
NJ.
has to do is break a certain point, and then the banks will just push price up because that's what they expect people to do. They just do the opposite of what the retail trader does.
Yeah.
Right over here, NJ. Wow, NJ's in a nice, beautiful little range here. Jimbo is just in a range, unless you want to catch like a little move from here to here. Definitely possible, but there's just not a lot of range here for me to take a trade at least. I'm looking for 20, 30 pip ranges. That's where I'm entering. If there's a nice range to the downside. But right here, I just don't see enough. But if you look to the left here, once we break these highs, you have a clean move all the way to up here. So I think rather be patient than, I think you'd rather be patient than execute in a range, right? That's just my opinion. But at the end of the day, yes, it could go long or short because we're just in a range and we're at the middle of the range. So looks good for longs, just about to this entered at 145. Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, you're good, brother. You're good. Yeah, that's a beautiful fucking entry, bro. Shout out, my boy. Oh, you're up 10 pips here. I would close some. I would close some here and then leave some running, Jimbo. Beautiful fucking trade, bro. You're a beast. Good shit. Jimbo, we gotta get you a mic, my brother. We gotta interact with you. Seem like you know what you're doing. German 30's a crazy ass little bitch.
Yo, can somebody in the YouTube tell me if JP got stopped out or if he got his TP smashed? I'm not sure if I know.
I'm not sure if I know either, my brother.
Like, yeah, like, so for example, Francis,
Yeah.
like, if you look at yesterday, like yesterday, you saw when GJ just flew up and me and Andy caught 30 pips and Andy was like screaming his head off and all that type of shit.
Yeah.
So when 3 o'clock hit on the 1 hour, you see that huge bearish candle, and then it just continued on down. You're gonna see that more often with like the banks like trying to manipulate and interact with the market at the end of Asian session, going into London session, to stop people out and continue price down to where they want it to go.
Jamel, you should have got into the buy that I was telling you
That is so
about.
wrong, bro. That is so wrong, bro. That's like wrong, you know.
Well, hey, it's the banks. At the end of the day, they're technically not doing nothing illegal. They're just trying to make their money, just like us.
Yeah, but they got more money. So it's kind of fucking.
It's fucking, yeah, you know, I'll call them. I'll give them a call. I'll let them know that
give them a call.
Mad Ruth what they was doing.
Time to pump German 30 while you're on it.
I'll tell you, when I get the hedge fund started and I got $5 billion in circulation, I'll let you know.
And no, you're not gonna tell us, then you're just gonna become like the banks and go, haha, tell these guys to take a sell while I take a buy.
Wait, what? Jamel's here? Why are you guys saying Jamel?
No,
Jamel's not here.
I said Jamel, like the one in the YouTube. Dude, I told you. I'm starting to get this. I'm starting to get the hang of this, dude. This is fire. I feel so happy, bro.
Just go ahead and swing gold for the rest of the night.
You're a swing trader now, Tay?
Bro, I do everything now.
He said, I'm a long-term trader, I'm a swing trader, I'm a scalper, and I'm also a micro scalper.
Like, hey, I'll have the swing trade going, and while that's going, I'll be like with Tootie on here with you guys, you know, taking the setups and everything.
It took me like phase 2. It took me like a week, like 4 or 5 days. It actually took me a little longer on my first. Longer than FTMO. You have a MyFX book? No, I don't. But I gotta start it up. I really want to know exactly how much I win and how much I lose.
It would be good for like if you have your own account, like live account, it'd be good for bookkeeping as well.
What do you mean, like for taxes and shit?
Yeah, because then you can like actually use like the 40%, 60% tax to your advantage.
Yeah, and the FTMO is quick as fuck with this first. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, but fucking Luke, how many people does Luke have over there right now? Oh, what the fuck is that? What are we listening to again? Oh, Sorry, I didn't mean to ask to unmute Zane, but if you want to, you can.
All good, all good, all good.
Nah, dude, you're good. They just take a little longer because they're not big. Who the fuck just executed? Was that an execution? What was that? You're gonna swing gold short, ready?
Yep. I wanted to catch it at the top, and I almost did, but I missed it by a pip. So I wanted to see it retrace weekly support to get some candle confirmation. And that's what I did. So swinging it all the way back down to previous weekly support. But it's okay. I'm only risking 1%.
Shit.
Dude, I haven't thrown a 20 lot in like freaking forever, dude.
And you're not gonna do it now.
Everybody buy DJ at the top.
Well, if gold melts,
That's what impatient traders do. I used to do that. I really used to do that.
That's the number one rule of just investing, period, bruh. Never buy at the top.
Yep.
Well, no. Number one rule is buy low, sell high. Second biggest rule is don't buy at the top.
I mean, I'd be buying at the top too, bro. But like, it's for a scalp. I only need a fucking wick, bro.
Give me my wig.
Yeah. Francis, where's your entry on German 30? Are you just gonna hold it?
I'm gonna hold it, eh? Because on long term, I see German 30 is on an uptrend anyway. So
yep.
Yeah, because I do see with indexes, as long as you're able to hold out
on your account.
Yeah, I think you're pretty safe if you hold for long enough. So
yeah, definitely.
But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna put like a stop loss. I'm still gonna put a stop loss, but at a pretty safe area.
Yeah. First rule: don't lose money. Facts.
Yeah, don't lose money. But it's been an interesting week, though. I feel like there's been a whole lot of manipulation this week. It's bad.
Definitely. And a lot of missed trades on my part coming up. Like, what I should have started the day off with an Asian session banger, which was this gold trade, bro. I literally had my alert set, Francis, and I didn't take it.
Yes, no. I was literally about to sell at the top, bro. I was about to be insane. 120 pip move.
Oh.
No, yeah, I was gonna sell right here at 373. But like my alert hit, I look at the chart and price is already like down here. I was like, missed it. And then I let it go, bro.
And now it's like down there.
Yeah. That's the way it goes.
Yeah, but we miss some, we get some, we lose some, Can't get everything.
Jane, what are you looking for, brother?
I'm looking at gold sells on the break of the 15-minute candle. Hopefully, can keep pushing.
Yeah, it looks nice.
But I wish gold dips though.
It's just that
what was
that wick to the left is annoying me.
I wish gold melts,
Yeah.
Because that means German 30 and US 30 is gonna fly up.
Is that really what it does?
Well, that's been the observation that I've had though recently. Because every time gold goes up, German 30 starts acting crazy, The US 30 starts acting crazy.
What happened to Kit, bro?
Might be busy.
Not in the chat. Maybe he's sleeping.
He took US 30 buys yesterday right over here.
What?
Yeah, that's his position.
Yeah, I'm sure he's
I
just
don't.
gonna hold.
Yeah, I don't know where his stop loss is though.
Yeah, but he said he wanted to swing trade though, so
Yeah, that's why. Do you know where Kid's stop loss is? Tay?
No, I don't.
Most likely he's gonna do a fib.
Bro, everything did the dance for me, bro. That was amazing. We're on a little win streak, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey,
What's up?
is that when are you guys doing the reentry for the GBP and GPY?
We already got in, so we scalp. All right, so you got to get in fast.
Wait, who are you talking? Who's talking right now?
I think it's Victor.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, bro. I'm pretty much done for the day. Yeah. If anything, bro, don't even trade this shit. Disgusting, bro. Like, this is when you guys should start practicing on pairs that you're weaker on.
Once I get that FTMO, I'm gonna do that. But I like DJ. I'm only focused on this pair because I want to perfect it. You know.
Honestly, I feel the same way with gold right now.
Man, I was in gold back in August of 2020 during the bull run, and all I would do is buy. And I thought, dude, this is the easiest way to make $1 million, dude. And then out of nowhere, dude, somebody that I know that was living with us, told me it's a scam, and then that like messed with me, I guess, and then I started losing. I was up $5 on 100K. I mean, not on 100K, on $100 account. I was like, I felt like I was balling.
Nah, until you understand the correlation that gold only goes up when the U.S. economy does bad. That's when you kind of have mixed feelings about it all.
Bro, I'd be over leveraging on my large account, to be honest.
Like
I thought you had fixed. I thought you used fixed slots, like just 20.
3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trade win streak. Not too bad. What'd you say?
I thought you used like fixed lot size.
Yeah, my FTMOs and shit. Hey, Dr. Dollar, should we only put stop loss to break even when you send an update on the VIP channel? I mean, you guys, like, the stop loss is always valid, bro. Like, if I'm closing at break even, that doesn't mean you guys can follow exactly how I trade. I'm just telling you how I trade, but the stop loss is always valid. So if you guys want to trust the stop loss, you guys can always do that. But every time we hit TP1, that's when stop loss goes to break even every single time.
You know what would tick me off when I was in Daniel's signals is that he would say, "Oh, dude, I'm about to get out," and then I'd get out,
and he's still in the trade.
It happens all the time. Yeah, I mean, it happens with me too. I say I'm about to get out like maybe 5 times a fucking year. But it's all psychology, bro. At the end of the day, we just have to trust our analysis, bro. Because we're like fucking snipers, bro. But it's psychology that messes up our entries, that messes up. It's all psychology, bro. 80% of trading is psychology. You figure out psychology, then you're gonna be a winning trader.
Facts.
Dang.
Oh, dude, welcome, Giovanni. Did you watch the videos I sent you? Make sure you watch the 1 hour and 18-minute video in the VIP, the 30-minute video, and then the 25-minute video as well. And then you should know exactly how I trade.
Well, Fortnite, here I come.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get off here at 4. I think 4 is the perfect time, boys. If we run it too late, I feel tired the next day, and I kind of don't even want to stream the next day.
Unless you're drinking and we're high.
Yes, exactly, bro. Kundan got it, bro. No cap. Literally, bro. I need a drink, bro. That's the only time we have late streams. I think tomorrow, Kundan. Tomorrow I'm gonna go out. We're gonna get a beer. Actually, tomorrow's still Thursday.
Do it on Friday.
Yeah, we'll do it on Friday. I have a lot of fun, dude. Dude, I have so much fun on the streams. It's literally my entertainment.
If we do it on Friday, then there's no stream to do on Saturday, so it kind of works out well.
Dollar, you're a better trader than Daniel. Don't put him on top as a trader, maybe as a marketer. Yeah, I guess. I hate talking shit about Daniel, bro.
Nah,
he's
dude,
helped
that
me
guy's
so
a freaking
much.
goat, dude.
He's a goat, bro, but he be gambling sometimes too.
Oh,
but
dude, he was gambling, dude. He was gambling in them streams, bro. That was ticking me off because I was actually taking them trades because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know anything really.
Thank you, Giovanni. Giovanni, you can talk, brother. If you have a mic, just unmute yourself, bro. We would love to get to know you a little bit. I'm gonna go get a lighter, bro. That's right. We need to get high.
Pulling that stuff
Dude,
on me,
he's
man.
at
I
his
was gonna say
best
that.
moments when he's high.
Look out, another trade coming up. Francis, are you trading like a FTMO account or something, or like a funded account?
Hey, Francis.
Yo. Sorry, I didn't get that.
I said, are you trading a funded account like FTMO or My Forex or something?
Oh no, I'm using my money.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I don't got time for no FTMOs. Yo.
Yeah.
We need to get rich now.
FTMO, FTMO, you know what I'm saying?
I'll do FTMOs when I've raised $500 of my personal money to $5,000, you know?
Yeah.
Then maybe I'd hop on the FTMO, you know, but for now I'd rather just risk my own money. But little of my money, you know, not a lot.
No, fair enough.
Dude, you gotta realize though, I ain't got no money, dude, and neither do my parents.
Oh man, sorry about that, bro.
So,
but it's gonna change, man. You're working towards it, brother.
It's okay, Logan. We'll be funded together.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I'm not also rich, guy. You know, I'm just adding whatever little crumbs I get here and there, you know, to make something of it. You get what I mean? So
what's the average earnings here in South Africa, bro? What are they hourly rate or something? What do you guys get paid?
Well, South Africa is a pretty diverse economy. You've got the formal sector and you've got the informal sectors. You get what I mean? So, for the informal sectors, a lot of migrants from other African countries, you know, who aren't really plugged into the corporate space, you know, have to start up their own businesses. You know, maybe have a little grocery store, you know, and grocery stores are a big business here in South Africa. You know, you can have a grocery store in your neighborhood, a small neighborhood, and you get people coming to buy their basic daily needs like bread, you know, coffee, and all of those little things, you know. So you do have a whole lot of that. Yeah, so people do make quite good money from that. And you do have people who flip cars, you know, I'm in the property space as well. So what I do is I'll rent apartment for people, and I'll also sell properties to people as well.
So
I'm sorry,
what's the so it's the South African rand over there, right? That's what you guys use as currency?
Yes, the South African rand.
So on average, what would the person make in a month?
Hence, I'm saying you can't really say because it depends on what your hustle is.
Oh, okay.
You get what I mean? Yeah. It depends on what your hustle is, you know.
Yo, what's up? It's Pops right here.
But
Yo.
it's a pretty good place to find yourself. It's a good
What's
place
the
to.
okay? So if you're renting an apartment in say Johannesburg City, what would be
Yeah.
the weekly or monthly rent?
Well, here they charge monthly. So let's say you're renting out, like now I'm renting a 1 bedroom house. That's like 4,500 rand. So
Per
we
month.
should be about what? Yeah, per month. So 4,500 rand in the US dollar. You're looking at what? $200-300 per month.
That's not bad, eh?
Yeah, that's not bad. But also it depends on where in Johannesburg. There's a place called Sandton, where you could be renting like what to like 6K, 7,000 per month. It's like the high, that's like the Beverly Hills of Johannesburg. You get what I mean? It's like the high value,
Yeah.
area. Yeah. So it's much more higher.
Hey, let me make my millions and move to South Africa with Francis.
Is it true that there's a
gonna
lot
make
of
some
white?
good money here,
Is
Yeah, there's
it- is
white
it-
people here. A lot
Yeah,
of white people.
that's what I was listening. I heard that there's a lot of white people there, and I would have
Yeah.
never thought,
No, there's gang white people here. You'll be shocked, bro. From Australia, New Zealand, everywhere, bro. You've got them all here.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Because what, you guys are like in the middle almost, or no?
Yeah, it's like I said, it's a diverse society. So you do have like different groups of people. You've got the Ethiopians doing their thing. You've got the Nigerians doing their thing. You've got Americans doing their thing. Like every culture is pretty much here, just like the States. South Africa is like a mini United States in Africa. Let's put it that way, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. So I did a what was it? I did a paper on the economy.
Liking
of
these
South
gold
Africa.
shorts, bro. Look here.
Yeah, I did a paper.
Yeah, I'm in sales. Going for it.
I did a paper on the economy of South Africa, but during apartheid and post apartheid, and one of the craziest things I learned was like there are like certain like sects of like white people who are like living in like extreme poverty, and like there's this dude who did like a documentary on it, and he was like talking to these white people, and like there were like older white people were saying like, yeah, we deserve it because of how we treated black people back in the day, and then there were like younger white people who were just like, bro, no, that ain't fair, I can't believe this is happening to us type stuff. And then like the guy went and interviewed like a couple of like black teens that were like up the road. They were like having a little party next to their van outside in the park, and he was like, hey, you guys know that there's like white people living in these like basically these tents over here. And they're like, nah, bro, there ain't no white people living over there, they're all red. And he's like, what do you mean? I was literally just talking to them.
No, but the thing is, right, just like in every society, there are certain conditions that certain people live in that isn't a reality for certain people, if that makes sense.
Right.
You get what I mean? Yeah, you could be black in the United States and never believe that there are poor white people in the United States.
Fact.
Like most black people are in that trap where they think all white people live in this high class privilege. You've heard of white privilege. And the truth is, not all white people have privileges, unfortunately. It's quite evident here in South Africa. Unfortunately, there's like extreme poor white people in South Africa, But also, it goes back to that thing of, the one thing that's constant in life is change. Like obviously they had it good back in the apartheid area and all of that stuff, but I feel like, they sort of didn't have the knowledge or the skill set to transition to a new South Africa that we have today. If that makes sense, you get like the world.
I think that's like the overall planet, bro. Half of the shit that played out 50 or 100 years ago between color and race and all that. If you look at it now, we've evolved so much that whatever little bit we still think exists in society is very little, and only matters to the people that still are hung up on it. Majority of the world's kind of moved on, man. Like I'm Indian and I grew up here in New Zealand. Yeah, you can always. I lived in Aussie, and I think Zane would know that you're always going to get the odd idiot here and there that may be racist or whatnot. But the reality is, 90% of the people are just minding their own business, doing their own thing, just because they have a personal opinion about a certain race or color of the skin. That's that's okay. That's your bias. You can have that. But majority of these people are just good people doing their own thing. I don't think anyone's out there now trying to, beat down another race or beat down a color because someone that's colored
Yeah.
skin or something like that. You know, everyone's just doing
Yeah,
their little
I'll
bit of
say-
trying to get ahead.
I'll say this though,
Yeah.
like the United States has probably, in my opinion, like the most complicated history when it comes to
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, I don't know.
in my
it's
opinion.
definitely,
And I
it's definitely
think
had
the
a,
biggest
it's
reason,
definitely had a rough patch, man. Like the way how America came about and the kind of things that's come about from. Like there's definitely been a lot of turbulence there, you know. But now when you look at America, man, it's you know, if you wanted to look at a multicultural society that's evolved, it's there.
That's the
You know?
States. Yeah, definitely. That's the States.
Here's
That's the States.
and like here's the crazy thing though. Like, so I've been juggling with this theory that's been passed around in the economic sphere, and it's called what is it called? Group hypothesis. And so, group hypothesis is this idea that if you put a certain people, right, you get like a certain people, like certain specific people, not just like random people, but like black people or women or Chinese people, just a specific group of people, and you have them do an occupation, whether that be a miner, factory worker, teacher. You put them in that certain occupation, and you'll see that over time that their standard of living tends to go down over a period of time. And the biggest reason is because of, you know, if you guys heard of this, you know, simple supply and demand. You know, you have a whole bunch of people in supply to hire, and since there's so many people, you don't have to pay them as much because it's like, well, if I don't got to hire you, I can just hire someone else. You know what I'm saying? And so I think what you're seeing, like in the US today, especially how it evolved over time economically, is that for a while, you know, for the longest time in the US, you know, the main like school teachers were women, you know, and you're even seeing today, like still like teachers, like school teachers aren't getting paid as much. And why is that? Most of the time it's mainly because of group hypothesis, where you have so many like female teachers, and I'm not saying from like at the college space, but I'm saying at like kindergarten to 12th grade, like elementary school, middle school, high school, you have so many of them who are women and who are usually white, who end up not making enough money because it's like to their ideas, to the people's minds, they're like, oh well, if this teacher doesn't want to work, we can hire someone else. And I think, and I kind of use that example to kind of talk about, you know, like race relations in the US, like from back then to now, because the craziest thing that like I've learned throughout my life was that, you know, once people, and it doesn't even have to be like, they don't have to be treating these people bad, but it's like once people have a bias, right?
I know.
And once people have a bias on a certain group of people, that over time, and you'll mainly see this in like a lot of small patchy areas, that over time, once they have this bias, you know, that bias starts to grow into something more. And so I'm obviously not saying that like the entire US is like that now, but it's like I was born and raised in Alabama, you know, in the South, the deep South. You know, like I heard the N-word every single day growing up.
So what does that mean? Why
So
there's
it's
not
like,
there's not a lot of black people over there?
oh bro, there's still lots of black people in the South, but it's like
There's
the fact of
breakfast.
the matter is that during that time, black people could only mainly work specific jobs.
When? Like back
And
then, like 80 years ago.
No, I'm talking about even like 20 years ago, even when I was younger. You know, like
Okay,
my
wow.
dad.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, like my dad. Me and my dad would like get kicked out of restaurants all the time because of how we looked. It's illegal to do that now. We'd still get kicked out. And so what I'm saying is that in the in the US,
Take this up, man.
I think the biggest problem when it comes to like race relations is that you have one side who talks about it too much, who sees racism everywhere. And then you have another side who doesn't talk about it enough and either has racial biases or they act out said racism. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And some people actually get rich off playing the race game, man. The race card, you know, it's in their benefit to play the race card and keep people divided purely because there's a benefit to them, and that's the other flip side of it, you know.
Yeah, and that's what I was saying. It's like you'll have news outlets like CNN, MSNBC, Vox.com. They'll sit there and just talk about microaggressions and saying that a black person, because he looks like a thug, it makes them like look bad, and that black person's gonna have years.
That's
of
literally racist, though.
You know
like,
what I'm saying?
If
But
you're
it's
judging
like-
someone off their color, bro, and you think that they're a thug because they're freaking black, that's literally racist.
Yeah, but,
Like,
here's the crazy thing though, is that you have one side who only shows that narrative, then you have the other side who essentially uses like black people as like pawns to just further progress their agenda. So it's like they're both using black people to further progress their agenda, but they're using it in two completely different ways. Like one side saying, oh, you know, black people in America, it wasn't that bad. You know, if it wasn't for slavery, you know, black people, we wouldn't have first black president. We wouldn't have black people here starting their own businesses. And then one side's like, oh, if it wasn't for black people, this country wouldn't exist.
Yeah, man. My
and
philosophy.
what is there still like a lot of Go ahead, Francis. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, sorry. My philosophy is just simple. I judge you based on your character. Like I don't give a fuck if you're rich, white, black, like Indian, whatever race you are. If you're full of shit, you're full of shit. Regardless of your race,
And here's
they come in all colors, brother.
Yeah,
and that's how it
for me,
should be.
That's how it should be. That's how it should be.
You got
sadly, it's not the case.
Yeah, you got people in like.
But dude, there's assholes, dude, about anything. Everywhere. You know, like.
But here's the thing: we can deal with assholes who say that pineapple tastes good on pizza.
Bro, but there's just so many.
Dickhead.
Dude, you have to understand that there's so many more dumbasses out there than intelligent people, sympathetic people. Like, there's a lot more bad people. I feel sometimes I don't like to think out. You know, but like a lot of people are fucked up, bro. Compared to like, noble people. Go ahead.
Yeah. Hey, just going back, hey Taron, fucking pineapple does taste good on pizza, okay?
Literally.
A little bit. I like the acidity, but
hell no, man. What's ham and pineapple? What's it called? The Hawaiian. That's what we call it.
Oh yeah, that shit's fire. That's what I get all the time. Funny? Chat, pineapples on pizza or no pineapples?
Pineapple on pizza. Zane, you're probably like the Hawaiian pizza, pineapple.
Yeah. Pineapple on pizza is best.
Yeah, man, that's our thing over here.
Pineapple on a hamburger as well.
Yeah, man, pineapple on a hamburger. Yeah, bro, I agree.
Bit of beetroot.
Yeah, man, but a beetroot definitely.
I'll tell you this.
Tyron be hating up pineapple on pizza and stuff, yeah.
I'll tell you this.
Nah, bro, come on, dude. Don't be talking shit about pineapple on pizza, bro. I'm coming for you.
No. So my girlfriend was born and raised in Hawaii, and she hates the idea of like Hawaiian pizza because it's like the only thing that you can kind of argue that's technically Hawaiian on the pizza is pineapple, but like obviously like everything else, it's like why call it a Hawaiian pizza when you have ham on it, you know? Like,
but what's Hawaii
like,
full
so
of?
Upset.
What's Hawaii full of pineapple trees that they decided to call the?
No, they got the Dole farms.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
what the hell's that?
Dole farms in Hawaii.
Yeah. What's that?
It's so Dole has like the biggest pineapple farms, like
Dole?
in the world.
Oh yeah, the company that actually the canned pineapple.
Oh, okay, that's why. Yeah,
they're mainly in Hawaii.
True, that's what's called the Hawaiian pizza.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, pineapples. I thought coconuts were from Hawaii.
I mean, coconuts are from anywhere tropical.
yeah, that was a high ass one. I'm sorry. Damn, bro, fuck. But yeah, everyone's gonna argue about everything at this point. Like nobody's gonna be on page with everyone ever. Like I've already.
That's a good thing. Otherwise, it'll be too boring. What are we gonna sit there and agree?
Yeah. Kundan, why does argument has to be less boring than just just taking a chill?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I reckon. You know what? I think it's a good thing to, not so much argue, but debate. A good debate is a good thing.
Definitely.
It's only an argument. It's only an argument when you start getting.
Who's making that noise? Jane, is that you or is it somebody else?
Fuck my tablet.
Oh shit, we got a kid in the chat.
Somebody has whatchamacallit? Somebody has hacked our shit. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Just literally kids. I don't know who it is. I can't find the perpetrator.
boy A-Rod's right though. Like, there's so many like KKK members that are like in like governments in the South, and they're like doctors and lawyers. You know, it's like there's so many black people that literally leave the South because of that.
Yeah, that's why there's a hell of white people.
Right, trust me, there's racism everywhere, and there's just it's not even racism, it's discrimination, man. Look, I've seen it.
Yeah.
You look anywhere, man. Even in India, you know, it's a country full of Indians, but guess what? They still discriminate against each other. They have this, you know, they've got a caste system, and certain castes will discriminate against another caste. So I think it's just.
But
human nature.
but I don't think it's just whites versus blacks. You know, either.
It's people
Like
versus people, you know.
people versus people, exactly.
Yeah, it's
I'll tell you this though.
Like I'm sure Asian
Like,
people
you
look
know
at
what?
white people and say we're so stupid, you know,
Yeah,
or like I don't know,
like and
like they're so tall or something. You know?
It was so crazy when I was younger and like growing up, because it was like I said, like we would get kicked out of restaurants, like people would like throw bottles and rocks at us whenever we walked across the street.
Okay, we gotta find the
There
perpetrator
have been
here.
times where it's like I've been jumped because of how I look, you know.
Are you for real?
Well, yeah, but come on, man, it's Alabama. Come on, man.
I want to know who the imposter is here. Who got the kids?
Someone
It's probably
hacking.
Logan. Logan has like 8
Nah,
kids.
nah,
on the low.
dude. Nah, dude. I never had kids. Oh, adopt
Really?
them.
Logan's got 8 kids he doesn't know about.
I'll adopt
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
adopt them. But that's when I start making a lot.
Bro, but Logan's
Yeah,
only
I
19.
don't-
Shout out to Logan, man.
I don't see kids in my future, bro. I don't. My
You don't
mom
wanna
had
have
8
kids?
I said that's enough.
You don't want to have kids?
No, I don't.
So what if your girl? What if your
20,
girl
man.
says, "I want kids"?
How old are you?
Well, then we got a problem. No, I'm 21.
Oh no, you're good. You can unmute whenever. Like he's like, oh, it was Giovanni. He's like, got 3 kids. They all just woke up.
Now, I'll tell you this though, bro. It's like it's just
Sounds like a handful.
man. Like, having kids, bro. That's a lot of hard work, bro. It's a lot
Oh,
of
yeah,
hard
fine.
work.
Hell yeah, dude. I mean, I gotta have kids. But my girlfriend wants fucking kids, bro. So, but not
Yo,
now.
Junior,
I'm so
look
young,
over.
bro.
Let me tell you,
Fuck that.
they're hard work, dude. They're work.
I'm gonna call him Dr. Dollar.
Now, here's the funny thing. I remember
Dr.
when I was
Dollar
younger-
Jr.
Yeah.
I remember when I was younger, bro. In high school, I would tell myself, like, I still see everything as an investment, but in high school, I saw almost everything as an investment, bro. Like, and I told myself, like, bro, if I have kids, what if I invest all that time, all that money into their education, and they just don't do anything, bro? I'd be like, bro, I'd be so disappointed. It's so upset.
All right, bro. Don't worry. Imagine if your parents thought like that.
I think I want girls
I
though.
was talking about me in high school.
No,
bro.
but
How about
Tyrone,
now?
Tyrone, you know how I think you should look at it, right? The thing is, if you ever have kids, right, and you bring them into this world, I feel like, okay, you just have to accept the fact that, okay, you brought them into this world, so it's your responsibility to just do your part. So even if you just do you and, you know, be at peace.
No, Francis, we're losing you, brother.
And that's the exact reason why I don't want any until I start
Wait.
picking
Francis, you lagged hard.
But you guys are 20.
Go ahead. What did he say? We didn't hear.
You guys are 20. Last thing you want to worry about is kids right now. You're still kids yourself, man. Come on.
Oh yeah. Fuck kids.
Kids.
Honestly, dude, I could barely take care of myself, dude. It feels like sometimes.
Yeah, imagine having to
Imagine kids,
change
bro.
nappies. Imagine
Hell
having to change
no,
nappies.
dude. I barely want to fucking take my dogs for a walk.
Nah, I ain't even going to cap, bro. My sister, she had kids when she was like 19. She had her first kid, her daughter, when she was 19, bro. And that turned me off from kids immediately. I was like, 19, bro? I was like, oh no.
That happens,
Damn, bro.
man.
I was actually gonna execute on this little trade, but it never broke the little stint on.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you this. Like, if I ever brought a kid into this world, bro, this kid gonna be Albert Einstein. That's all I'm saying. But me personally,
That's the one.
I'm not gonna
That's
do
the
anything.
spirit.
I'm not gonna do anything to make sure a kid comes to this world. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm
I
saying.
don't know, bro. I feel like a kid is way too much to handle. Like,
Before
bro, I'm
you-
like way too much to handle. Like, it's not even.
Guys, kids are nice. Kids are nice, but bring them into the world when you're mentally ready. That's my thing.
Yeah.
you know?
What am I
Like,
gonna
what-
offer? What am I gonna offer my kid right now? Like, I'm gonna teach her how to fucking trade and shit. You know?
Yeah, which is
But
good,
that-
you know. They're gonna be like a little beast on the trading, you know? Like a little Dr. Dollar trader.
But I don't want to introduce it too early because then I feel like if I would have learned about trading like when I was 16, 17, bro, I wasn't even in the right like mindset. You know, I wasn't even thinking about my future. But now that I'm like, go
Well,
ahead.
you see, Dr. Dollar, look, what I feel, what parenting does, you get. That's why it's important when you have kids, you have to like be in their life and be involved, you know, because then you get to like mentor them in all the psychological stages of their lives. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just pretty messed up when you bring kids and you're not like involved in their life. You don't know what they're going through psychologically. You're not able to like help them transition properly from one stage of their life to the other. You get
Do
what
you
I
have
mean?
kids or no?
No, I don't. I don't. Hence, I'm saying I would rather have kids when I am mentally ready for it and financially ready for it. You know,
Yeah.
importantly. Yeah, you know.
I mean,
So
Kunda,
I
how
would-
expensive are kids? Would you say, Kunda?
They're not
3K.
expensive, bro.
3K.
They just form part of the overall budget, mate. They're not. You know what? They're no more expensive.
They're
than-
expensive, Kunda.
Oh,
Come
really?
on, just be honest.
Hey, come on, hey. Hey, okay, look here, look. If we can afford to smoke and drink and do the shit we do, I hardly think a kid's gonna worry me about his expenses, you know. Be real
Yeah, okay,
honest.
but at the
If I-
beginning, first year, how much is first of all, how much is health
I
insurance
wouldn't
for
necessarily
kids?
To be honest, I've never ever felt, ever in my life since I had my daughter, that she was even an issue as far as it went expense wise.
Because you loved her so much, you didn't even see it.
I don't know. I've never actually thought about it. She's, she still scams me out of money every day of the week.
Yeah.
So she has a weekly.
Shout
I
out
have to
to
pay
her.
her weekly. And over here we had the lockdown, and there's something called a wage subsidy and stuff. And
Mhm.
she said, "Oh, we're in lockdown. You have to pay me a wage subsidy as well this week." You know,
Shit.
so she's like clued up. But the good thing is she's a very good saver. She saves her money, unlike
Logan's never gonna have kids. Nah, I'm just kidding.
But trust me, bro.
But guys,
I'm just kidding, Logan.
But guys, you know one thing, right? I think it's because of how the Western society is structured, and you guys have to look into a lot of factors and worry about a whole lot of stuff. And in Africa, people don't give a fuck. They just have sex and give-
People are
I'm
just
telling you.
fucking over there in Africa.
They
They
just
don't
rock
care.
and drop kids, and they don't even worry about making $1 million to raise a kid and all of that stuff. Dude, people are giving birth like rats out here. It's like crazy.
Yeah.
No,
Dude, yeah, I guess, but when you have a kid, I guess it's just like, okay, like if you didn't plan it and you're still gonna keep it, fuck it, you know. But
Yeah,
Hey, you know
but
what? If
yeah,
everyone-
you can give a better life if you just give it a little bit more time.
If
I think
everyone,
that's
if everyone started planning kids, we wouldn't be where we are today. Let's just say
Most
that,
people
you
wouldn't
know?
have kids. Most
Okay,
people wouldn't have kids.
if there was something called family planning 100 years ago, majority of the population would be fuck all right now. There'll be no volume in the market. There'll be no
That's
volume.
true.
We'll be trading shit every day rather than forex.
yeah, but don't you guys think that it's eventually gonna catch up? Like, when are we not gonna have enough resources for everyone?
I don't know when another
That's the-
asteroid hits the planet and takes care of half of us there. I guess
That's
it,
the
you know?
biggest economic question to ever be asked, bro.
Hey, you know what? There's some things left. There's some things left to nature. This is where I think the modern day tycoons get it a bit wrong. All of a sudden now we want to decide what is the limit of people that should or shouldn't be on this.
Like
planet.
really, imagine
You know,
that. That's crazy.
Stupid. I think
Yeah.
nature's done a very good job to get us to where we are. It knows how to take care of itself. All of a sudden now we want to start deciding based on economic this or economic that or what's too
Yeah.
many people and all that. That's wrong, bro. I'll never agree with that because let's just say, like if we start thinking like that, then that's it totally goes against nature. And guess what's going to happen? Asteroid's going to hit the planet, and we're going to go the way of the dinosaurs. You know what happened to the dinosaurs? Why they got wiped out? Because they had nothing more to offer nature. That was it. They had reached the end of their evolution. Now, the best way we can get to that.
So a rock hit Earth. As soon as
whatever.
that.
I don't know, but all
No,
I
but
know
you know,
is,
Kundan. You know what's caused
I
by,
don't-
right? I feel like we as human, right? We've been we've been distracted from our basic survival skills. Like, like my grandparents used to farm. My grandmom used to farm. Like basic. It wasn't even a job. It was like it was just like a daily activity for her to go to the farm and go pick up stuff and come cook in the house. These days we don't farm stuff. We have to go to the freaking mall to go buy basic stuff.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
but no
right,
cap
man.
though. No cap. It's like it's a different world today than it was then. My grandparents.
But it's fucked up now. It's fucked up now. Some things are good.
Here's the thing though. Is it if it was for worse, we'd all be dead by now. But obviously, you've seen like over the past like 50 years, our population has just continued to grow. But
we've become more dumber to the things of nature, though. You have to agree to that.
That depends though, because if it wasn't for modern research and for like new technologies we found and new things we figured out about nature, we wouldn't have figured that out if we were still stuck farming all the time. We just know how to like, okay, we just know this is poisonous.
Tyrone, but your belly don't care about technology. Let's be honest.
No, but here's the thing though. My belly don't care about technology. My belly cares about food. But if it wasn't for technology, you wouldn't be able to go to the store and go get food. You'd have to farm.
As I'm saying, why are we dependent on the store to get food when we
the store? I mean, we've been doing it for a while.
Farm to get food.
We just got lazy, man. We got fucking lazy.
We got lazy.
We got lazy. Now we don't want to grow our own shit, so we gotta go buy it instead.
But
it's not just about laziness.
We didn't get lazy.
Bro, let me tell you.
We got smarter. We worked smarter.
No, we're not smarter. We're smarter at some things, yes. Technology, great. Yeah, but I'm saying our basic survival skills as people has been taken away from us.
It's 2021. Basic survival skills are for people that still live in the woods, Francis. We don't need basic survival skills no more.
Okay, Tyrone. All I'm saying right now, right?
Bro, guys, this is the future. This is the fucking future.
Yeah, let's say there was like a...
This is the fucking future. I can promise you that, dude. This is how we're all gonna end up. We're just gonna spawn a burger, we're gonna eat a burger. We're not even gonna have to walk. Because we're so fucking lazy. We're lazy, dude.
You know what? We're evolving. We're evolving, man. As a planet, as a species, we're evolving. And we're only at the beginning stage of our next evolutionary system, like... Yeah, you know what? Yes, we shouldn't forget how to get our food if we need to, but at the same time, we should evolve and not have to rely on doing all the things that we did 50 years ago.
Yeah, my point's exactly.
I feel like, but we shouldn't forget. But we shouldn't forget our skill sets either. I
feel like Tyrone. I feel like farming should be a skill set everyone should have, regardless of if you're a researcher, a doctor. No, I'm being. It might sound funny. It might sound old school, but it's the fact.
Logan, shut the fuck up, Logan. Shut the fuck up, Logan.
Because at the end of the day,
stop laughing.
At the end of the day, we still have farmers. We still have people who go out and hunt.
Not a lot.
Those people are important. Those people are just as important. They're not a lot. And I wish they were more.
Dude, I can eat shit for months and months, and I can just have Amazon bring me my shit.
Yeah,
we're getting lazy, dude.
You're not wrong, though. We need more people like that. We need more people. Not only that, and the problem is that the reason why we don't have enough people farming, enough people hunting, is because of the future. You got corporations that owned all the land, all the agriculture. They're able to decide.
You're right. Okay, that makes sense.
Now we don't even live long anymore because we're eating GMOs and all of this funny stuff.
Supposedly gay. I don't know. Don't hold me to this, but supposedly gay people come from plastics.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
I swear to God.
Hey, yo.
That's what I heard. I read it. I'm just a messenger. Chat. I'm just a messenger.
Well, in that case, bro, more than half of the.
Dang, man. Andy's been.
That's what I'm saying.
Also
they're coming.
It.
They're all coming now because look, now there's more gay people than ever since plastic came out. The plastic boomed, gay people boomed as well. Sus. But what were we talking about?
They correlate.
They correlate. Yo, who said that?
We went from
Did Germans say that?
We went from having kids.
Oh, Germans
not knowing if we had kids to the
Who said correlate,
to
bro?
the past. What skills are important today?
Listen, Tyron.
Do you know that right now, if all the infrastructures that we're dependent on right now was to collapse right now, more than half the population of the world won't know how to survive.
Yeah, and you're correct. You're 100%
That's my
correct
point.
about
That is my point. If you were to, let's say you were stuck in the woods right now, you know, would you be able to just create a basic fire?
Yeah.
Hunt a deer and make a
I don't know how to do any of that
Hey,
shit.
bro, I'm from
my
the
point,
South,
but
bro.
Oh yeah. Tay look like
okay,
he
yeah,
got
yeah.
a garden and shit. Look at him, bro.
You know,
Hey,
but your
everybody.
parents,
Hey, but you're right, Francis. You're right. There's people who need these basic skills every day. And the thing is, you don't even need it to survive anymore, but it's just nice to know. You can go out there and
Hey, stop.
you can grow a garden.
German said they
you can grow a
garden.
garden, grow pumpkins,
died.
grow
Hey,
strawberries,
go
watermelon.
on naked and afraid. See how fast you wish for McDonald's.
Hell yeah, bro. Or Amazon Prime, bro. Dude. I feel like the world is, dude, we're not even gonna be human, bro. We're gonna have a chip in our brain that we don't even need food anymore, bro.
Listen, you guys got to think about this, and it's basic, man. If everybody farmed, there wouldn't be enough land to go around for the amount of fucking people on the earth. And the less that we get it entertained by technology, the more time we have to fuck and reproduce. The fucking world would have collapsed by now if it wasn't for technology.
Well, yeah, it's like, the thing is like
So we need more
the
time to
advances-
fuck. German just said we need more time to fuck. So that what? Then we get overpopulate this whole shit.
The advancements we've made were important and they were needed.
German, come
At the
on,
time
bro.
the
they
life,
were
the
needed.
life
German
expectancy,
German news.
today. The life expectancy.
Yeah. Oh
today
shit! It
is
hit.
bad, though. Let's be honest.
It's better
How's,
than it was
how's the
100 years
German
ago,
news? Say.
All right, the German news, it came out 99.4, and the estimate was 100.4.
Yeah, it missed. It missed.
Oh, if you're in German 30.
German 30. might
And
just
these
miss.
move the market hella, right? Supposedly they go exactly where the.
Yep. Let me.
So we're going bearish or bullish on German 30.
We don't know, bro. We don't know. No, we don't know if it's bearish on the chart. It's bearish on the news. So maybe it's bearish on the chart. You know, sometimes it's bearish on the fucking news.
No, I was
and
just
shit
guessing.
goes
I was
up.
just guessing.
No, but yeah, bro.
Computer. This shit's slow as hell.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get a new one, no?
Man, let me find you a good PC, bro. I'm telling you, I got a good deal on.
Bro,
my
I
PC.
low-key need one. I need to build it.
Hey,
I want to build my own
Logan?
PC, Logan. Do you know how to do that?
Hey, do you guys know how to build your own PC?
Yeah.
I need to build my own PC. Who said
Dude,
that?
I know somebody. My cousin knows how to build PCs.
Yeah, I know how to build my own
He'll
PC.
give you a
What's
good
his
deal
IG?
too.
Like, where
Dude,
can you
I
get some
want
parts
a
for the
fresh ass motherfucking PC where it's like where you can see through it, you know, and there's lights and shit.
Oh, dude, I got that. I got one.
No, you don't.
Hook
Let
me
me
up,
see.
bro. Hook me up with who you know.
Let me see, Logan. Let me see the
Hook me
setup,
up.
man.
Like, I need
Bro,
a
those
parts
computers cost
plug.
like freaking 10K.
I need a parts plug. For
Yeah, that's what I
PC.
need. That's what I
I need a
need.
case plug. I just need a.
I'm on my computer all the time, bro. Might as well get some shit fired. You know, like this is my job, bro. I'm on this shit all the
That's
time.
fucking dope.
Wait. I need a fucking. And I might actually give away this big ass monitor to someone whoever wants it. It actually sucks ass.
Spin the wheel, spin the wheel.
Yeah, we'll spin the wheel.
the
for
wheel,
that.
yeah.
But only the VIP people can have access to
I
that.
got
So if
the
you're not in the
1070,
VIP,
homie.
if you're not in the VIP, possible
Hey, you
chance
got a
of free
what?
monitor.
I got the
What you got, Logan?
1070.
What
got-
graphics card you got in there?
I got the 1070.
Hey, okay. What's your GPU looking like?
My GPU, that's a 1070.
Oh, my bad. Not a GPU. My bad. I wasn't thinking about that. I'm in CPU. What CPU you got in there?
The CPU, I got an AMD RX 550, I believe.
Jeez, let me see it. I didn't even see it. Sorry, Logan. I didn't know you were showing it.
It's a fire. It's a $300 graphics card. It's pretty fire.
Woo, that's
Yeah, that's
good.
good with.
Yo, disco lights in there?
Damn, I need that.
Yeah,
That's what I need, dude.
What
Look
motherboard
at that.
you
That
got, bro?
looks sexy as
I'm
fuck,
not-
Logan. Good
I'm not
shit.
sure. I'm not sure.
Look at his setup, bro. Let me see the setup.
Yo, that look clean.
The
How many
keyboard is
cores you
fire,
got?
though.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay, Logan. Okay.
Bro, your shit.
This is a little penis, bro. This is my little SSD.
Don't say that. You see, dude.
Hey, yo.
Every
Wild.
chance he gets, he said, "This is my little penis." Someone clip that, bro.
No cap.
Oh my god, that was so funny.
Expose him.
Andy's not in here tonight, okay, look.
That was hilarious. What are your equities? I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What are your equities? What does that mean?
I'm out of here, boys.
Later, Zane.
All right, Zane. Have a good day.
All right, man. Stay safe.
Bye, Zane.
Peace.
Talking about
but
there's your trading.
what were we talking about, boys?
We were just talking
Computers.
about computers.
Farmland.
Computers, bro. We need a computer, boys.
Dude, yo, Tay, I'll find a good PC for you, and I can't afford to pay you for it, but I can find you a good one.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, we just need
I
the
just
plug,
need some
man.
parts, bro. Just if you know someone who got parts, like a plug, I'll be good.
I know a person.
I know a person who does fucking 50% off everything. I don't know, dude. I'm like exposing it right now, but
these dudes
Doc,
are not going to be
I was
upcharging.
gonna ask you, bro. Doctor, I'm sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt. This is about that algo that Daniel has.
oh
What's up
yeah,
with that, bro?
I'm not doing that shit.
You're not doing that shit?
Broker deal.
I don't trust algos at all, bro.
Dude,
Never made
I'll do
money
that.
off an algo.
I'll do
I
that.
lost like $4,000 earlier this year to an algo. I'm done.
But this
Done
is a
with
savage.
algos.
This is a savage algo.
Yeah, right. They didn't even make it. They're not coders.
No, they got somebody to make it.
So
was
it's
on
their strategy type shit. Dude, don't trust that. Dude, German, you don't remember what happened to the other algo?
No, because I've only been on.
It blew everyone's money, bro.
3 months. I've only been on chats and stuff, shit like that. 3-4
No,
months.
yeah. Okay. No, then yeah, you wouldn't know. So this was like maybe like 8 months ago.
I think it was like in October.
Yeah.
Because they were talking about an algo. I was like wondering what that was.
On the Zoom. But that was a minute ago. And that algo did so bad with me. Nothing against their algo, bro, but I don't know, bro. I don't trust algos. I don't really need one.
Hey, I'll soon be doing one of those.
But I guess passive income, right? If it is
Yeah,
successful, bro,
yeah.
you make hella bread.
Yeah, and
So
you don't
it's
have
worth the
to work
risk. That's
for
what
it.
I did. I at least took the risk. I took the loss. Never
See you
again.
tomorrow,
You know, like I already know how it is. That shit got me discouraged as fuck. Go ahead.
No, Van
Go
Hart
ahead,
was
Tim.
saying, see you tomorrow.
Oh, you're out, brother.
No, but hey, I'm trying to. I know a guy who he works. He used to work at what is it, JP Morgan Stanley, and he's like he used to be a computer science major at UT, and so I'm trying to get in contact with him about algos.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
Because it's like, what if you want a good algorithm, bro? You need a mathematician, and you need someone who's good at
Yeah,
coding.
yeah. Dunky was talking about this guy.
Squawk.
Yeah, Squawk, dude. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I
Squawk,
talked
hit
to
me
him.
up.
I talked to him, and
Guys, be
once
careful
he
with the
gets it,
algos, bro. Just buy crypto, dude. You're gonna triple your money in fucking 4 years.
dude,
Buy a shit ton
that
of
guy
crypto.
made like 50K in a day, bro. Like real cash.
Oh, that's
So
what they
what
show you,
happens?
bro.
What happens
That's what they
when?
show you, dude. You think they're gonna show you the fucking 35K losses they're taking? You know? Like it happens, bro. Like literally JP was here. He showed me the algo on one account. It was in blues. He showed me the algo on another account. It was in the reds. But I don't know, bro. That shit's sus, dude. It's robots, bro. I don't know. Eventually, yeah. Eventually, we're not gonna need to trade anymore. There's just gonna be hella robots on this shit.
Well, I mean, at the end of the day, they people want algos because of the whole
Passive
mechanical,
income.
non-emotional trading. And
Yeah.
I just want it for passive income.
I think it's worth a shot, John.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's worth it. It's just like me personally, I just want to make sure.
But how much is the minimum? Is German even here anymore?
Yeah. He said
I think it's
everybody was
1,000.
asking. said 1,000, 2,000.
Minimum?
That's fine.
I mean, that's not.
Yeah, but once they reach 50,
1,000?
50K people on there,
But what, you're gonna be risky on it? Because you choose the risk.
Yeah,
Like
I
if you
mean,
wanted to go crazy, you know, like it depends, bro. It's just, you want to make it like little by little, you know.
Man, I'm not
They
even gonna
give
cap.
you the option if you want to be like fucking risky as fuck, and they just
If you try to get some
margin the
passive,
whole shit, you know, and just
hey,
hedge out of positions, all that shit.
I'm much more riskier than their fucking signals the last 2 weeks.
I'm not even gonna cap though, bro.
Yeah.
Like if you want some passive
I don't know.
income,
I
bro,
don't know, dude.
go into real estate, go into
But they win every night. Like Savage Gang as a whole wins every night.
Bro, what are you gonna buy in real estate for $2,000?
No, I mean like you can invest in like investment trusts. You can there's plenty of apps out there today, especially where you can literally invest $2,000 and still get a 16 like a 9% return per year, 10%
That's
return per year.
nice. Yeah.
And
Because
it's
it's
like
passive at that point.
yeah, like
It's
to me
like
personally,
it's passive trading. It's not even going for crazy risky shit.
yeah, to me personally, it's just like passive income to me is being able to double my
You
money.
guys gotta buy crypto.
Oh, hey,
Buy
listen, I can't
crypto.
trust crypto, bro.
Dude, but it's not going anywhere, bro.
It's not gonna go anywhere, but man,
I think we gotta all buy crypto, boys. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I'm gonna have an account, a separate account, so that way I could just trade it for Bitcoin.
I've had hella bit. I have hella Cardano right now. I have hella Ethereum.
I'll look into cryptos because some have
It's
pretty
been
good
going
interest
up, bro. I've only seen green days.
I still get that $100 from that Ethereum that you gave me.
Let's go. I gave it to you high as fuck, like at the top almost, right?
Yeah, you
Yeah. I remember I was trying to like, bro, and I blew like 3 Ethereums on the casino on Rubet, bro. Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude, I thought you
was
made that
crazy.
back. I thought you made that back.
No, I never make it back. I'm negative on my gambling career. For sure negative, bro. Like, and I was playing blackjack on a fucking online casino, you know? Like, what the
GJ is
fuck am I
flying,
doing?
guys.
What's flying?
GJ looks like it's trying to break.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it created that fib, like I said.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Fib back in the range.
Time to take
Yours,
all over
yours 30,
segment.
yours 30 flying.
That's nice. Yo, sounds good to my ears. About time.
Dude, that's actually another entry I would have got into because that's a mini Head and Shoulders inverted.
Low key, nothing's happening here. Like until we see like PJ maybe breaking above here, then maybe,
That's what I'm
then
waiting
maybe,
for.
yeah, then maybe we can fill this range, this clean range right here to the
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to break that. The 150.760 range. But it looks like it's flying. That's a pretty good engulfing candle on the 30 minutes.
Hell yeah. And it's London now, so and we haven't really moved. I mean, how much did we move from here to here? But we're in a range. Just be careful. Because
I've
what
been
if
on a
we
buy
just
since last night. I've been
Oh
on
yeah,
a
that's
buy
right.
since
That's
last
right. That's right. That's right.
Yeah, so it's not
My
like I
boy,
took a trade now.
That's great. Bro, literally. I don't know. Hey, what do you think about algorithm?
I mean, me personally, it's just like if you're looking for algorithm, bro, you don't talk to people who trade if you an algorithm. You talk to people who study statistics. Because
So
it's
what
like
happens? What happens when the market makers change their algorithm? Basically, updates their algorithm to beat your robot.
well, here's the thing. What it is that they don't change an algorithm to one
Yeah, that's
specific robot. Their algorithm rarely changes because the algorithm trades the market how it's told based off of what mathematicians and what physicists and what programmers tell it to do. They'll rarely change it unless they'll rarely change it unless it's in like dire economic situations. But even during times of recession, like you'll have companies like big hedge funds hedge the mess out of recessions and still be in profit because they went short, or you even got short selling hedge funds who all they do is go short, So it's like, to me personally, it's like when it comes to algos, number one, don't do it with Forex. Do not use a Forex algorithm because the Forex market is currencies, it's too volatile, and an algorithm is just going to take every single trade you throw it at, unless you're swing trading. And if you're using an algorithm, you need to use something that is a lot more stable, that can guarantee you at least at the minimum 10% a year, at the minimum, because that's the benchmark right now for most algorithms by hedge funds, is that you want 10% a year, and you want it to trade something. You want it to trade not just one thing, not just one thing, but multiple things at once. So you don't have to sit there and just keep moving the algorithm to different pairs or different indices. You want it to be set to a group of between 25 to 100 different equities, so that you're going to be in positions to win even if one's losing. And that just, and you have to risk super, super little, like 0.001%. Like an algorithm isn't for people who are like, oh, I want to make 50K in a week without doing anything. That's not, an algorithm's not for that. It's not for that.
Gambling's for that.
Yeah. Algorithm is literally for people for passive income.
I don't have time to trade.
Yeah. And it's not for you. When I hear you talk about their algorithm, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be okay, but at the end of the day, I won't go into it because over the long run, I don't think it'll average me 10% a year.
Man, all I'm going to do is wait for the US 30 to reach some critical points over the next, whether it takes a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it doesn't matter. And then you know what? I'm going to go all in, man. And then I want to pull out the trade of the year for me. That's going to be my flip. It's either going to be flip. It's either going to be flip my account or lose my account. I don't give a damn. That's what I'm waiting for, man. I was going to buy my time and wait for the US 30 to do its thing.
So yeah, like me personally, I'm going to get in talks with some people who like do statistics, who are very good mathematicians, who are good programmers, people who I go to school with. And I'm going to see what they know and see if they can implement.
Tell them to pull up, bro.
Huh?
Tell them to pull up.
Oh no, bro. They like, some of them are like in honor societies. Like they they go to bed at 9 p.m. They do not stay up.
Well, tell them to go bed at 6 p.m. and wake up at 12.
No, these people are
yes,
shit.
Sir,
like,
Victor.
Have you seen like an actual like mathematician, bro? Like people are just like, math is just so easy to them. These people, half of them, they're either already working for hedge funds or they're professors. They're not in between.
Yeah.
And that's actually something I want to do. Like I want to be able to have my own hedge fund and use mathematicians, use physicists, use computer science majors, and literally have no finance people working under me.
Heck yeah, dude.
And then when you get the algo, you back test it 50, 60 years, like decades. This ain't no 1 year back test, bro, because it has to be consistent. This is passive income, guys. It's slow, bro. It's horrible. It is the slowest thing ever, but it's guaranteed. There's 3 types of money in the world, y'all. It's easy money, it's lots of money, and it's long-term money. And you can only have 2 of those.
Facts. But all right, I think I'm gonna end this. Let me end the YouTube and then I'll end it with you guys. All right? You guys want to say bye?
Bye, guys.
There's 40 people in here.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Get the membership.
Get the VIP.
Get the membership.
Get the fucking membership.
Get the.
For real, guys. Get the fucking VIP. If you're in the fucking free Telegram, you pay for it right there, bro. It'll definitely help your trading. we have fucking fun doing it. So